Okay, sorry. Hello, am I live? I think I am. Hi, guys. There we go. Wait, let me post this on my Snap story. Boom. Hi. Hi. Hi, Jemmy. Hi, Xers. Hi, Nara. Hi, Bird. Hi, Dom. Mallory redeemed the first. So did Bird. Let's go. Hi, Gage. Hi, Oscatty. Hi, Master Dragon. Hi, Comet. Hi, Cat. Hi, Paige. Hi, guys. I'll turn the music down a little bit. Hi, Parker. Hi, Addis. Hi, Hectory. Hi, Lotus Rose. Hi, Liza. Hi, Basti. Hi, Alina. Hi, Mercury. Hi, Laurel. Thank you. This is like the jersey. I wore the shirt. If you guys didn't tell me, I would have forgotten. Hi, Mooey. Hi, Crowned. Noodle. Thank you for the... Hi. Thank you so much for the Prime for 30 months. Thank you for coming back, Noodle. You're the GOAT. You're the GOAT. Put some hype in the chat. Hi, Daniel. Hi, Gaming Star. Hi, Ari. Hi, Two Phone. Hi, Mystic. Hi, Lumi. Hi, everybody. Guys, where are you? Someone said, where are you from? I'm from Florida. Guys, oh my God. Today's MCC. Today's MCC. Can you believe it? Jackie, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Thank you. What the heck? Thank you so much. Guys, put some hype right now. Right now. Thank you. Congrats to everyone that just got a sub. That's crazy. Guys, so I think that Michael McChill is building our podium. I told him, do whatever you want. Like, you do you, because I have to go to MCCI and practice. So that's what we are going to be doing. Lisa Aquarius, one of those. Thank you so much for the Prime for 5 months. Thank you. And your build intro, I'll go ask them if they have any progress on it.
Place. I feel like putting a bunch of
Yo.
Hi.
Yo.
Hey, Anna.
Guys, do you guys have the thing built yet?
Yeah, that's what we've been doing.
Thank God. I cannot.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Come and check it out.
Okay. I bet it's amazing. I'll join right now. I'm just trying to start my game.
I mean, it's not very ambitious, but I think
Stop.
I think it's ambitious.
I think it's cool.
Don't even say that.
I'm really happy.
I like it. I'm happy with it.
I'm really happy with it. I'm even happier my wife came up with the idea because I had fucking nothing.
I would have forgot if you didn't.
I literally sat here for like 30 minutes before you guys logged on, and I was like, dude, I just was like placing blocks and breaking them, and I was like, this is awful. This sucks.
No, I bet it looks great.
Oh, you're wearing your jersey.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's check out the podium. Are you guys live yet?
I'm not live,
no.
All right. Okay. Over here, I assume, right? Cinna,
like,
thank you for the 21 month.
Hannah. I can't see it.
It's south from where you spawn in.
Okay, sorry. I have a special scene for MCC. Okay. Okay, here I am.
You know, we're this cave over here.
Wow.
Cena, thank you for the 21 months. Thank you so much.
Wow, I know, right? But oh my God, this is really good. Wait, who's in jail?
It's random.
We don't
One
know.
of us is randomly gonna get jailed.
Why can't Michael be put in jail?
No,
he assigned himself to that one, and there's no way to unassign it.
Yeah, I accidentally did that.
This is really good.
Out, though. You can get out of the bed. You can just walk that.
Wow, that's so good. Yeah. Guys, I could have never thought of this in probably a million years. Like if you had to give me 10 years to do this, I couldn't do it. That's great.
I really like that. I like Cyan's aunt. Yeah,
that's really cute. But you know, I gotta hop on MCCI because
I do too. I gotta.
Yeah, honestly, I think we're pretty set with this cave for now.
I think it's really good. Build. Good job, everybody. Okay.
I've watched the Sands of Time VOD like 2 times.
That's good. No, I gave Michael a really good VOD to watch for Sands of Time. I gave him Pearlescent Moon, MCC 24. Of course. Number 1 because Pearl is like the GOAT at running. Also because she had a really that one was like a really long run. So it had a bunch of different rooms that Michael could watch and observe. So, yeah. That was a good VOD.
I'm afraid that I'm
Stop.
gonna get. No, I gotta be honest.
Okay, what are you afraid of?
I'm afraid. I don't want to get stuck in there at all. I am going to try my absolute best to not get stuck.
Yeah, just play on the safer side.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was saying I'm gonna run as safe as possible. If I see like crazy mobs, I mean, like, is killing mobs entirely? They don't give you coins, do they?
No, but
I don't.
Yeah. So
yeah.
if I mean, obviously I don't want to like let loose a billion mobs and then basically just have to run through mobs to get out. But
yeah. If it's just like
safe is.
But the breaking spawners
gives you coins.
Yeah.
So you always want to place the torch right away on the spawner, and then maybe kill a few mobs if you have to kill them to break the spawner, and then break the spawner. Sometimes I'll like swerve around and strafe the spawner to break it, but like that's tech.
I'm gonna have to snipe. I said it earlier. I'm gonna have to snipe some of your viewers. So
that's fine.
The times come up, people are gonna have to come to my chat and literally tell me what I'm doing wrong.
No, that's fine. That's fine. We have some sweats in my chat. We have some MCC sweats, of course, in Dave's chat as well, and your chat too. I already know Conpro can go to your chat, and help you. Like that guy knows what's up all the time.
My chat knows about it, but they've only ever watched me never run. So like, I don't know.
Conpro says, I didn't say that. No, yes, you are.
Yes,
he's really good. Conpro is really good.
Chat, and you're gonna come over and you're gonna help me. But
at first, I need my chatters to help me with the puzzle because I can't do it.
Actually, that's absolutely accurate. Okay.
No, I have just so much trouble. They help me so much with the word puzzle. They're so good at it.
You're running red. You're running red.
Yeah. So
See,
to
what's
get
funny is if I have time, I'll just like tune into your stream because I like word puzzles.
No, don't worry. Like, I have to do it at the very beginning. So what I do is right at the very start, I do it. So don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. Okay, I have to like start practicing. What am I doing? Okay. This is time. This is like prime time to practice.
Yeah.
Also, Jemmy, thank you so much for the 7 months up. I'm so sorry that I missed it.
Playing some Sky Battle right now. Just
guys.
Make sure I'm fresh.
Certain really good players are being taught a really good rocket jumping strat. They just found out today. Yes, sure, Mystic. Post it in suggestions. I might already be doing it, but show me, please. I would really appreciate that, Mystic. I'll look right now.
No, all of the builds that everybody has made is so good. I'm so happy we don't just have like the custom or like the standard plate. I'm happy that we made something.
After the Bed Wars fireball thing? Oh. I do that sometimes unintentionally.
Wait, what is this?
Like, I'm actually getting targeted. Sorry, guys. I'm unnicked, so I just got freaking targeted. I actually just got griefed.
One of the admins is saying, we're like, they said, let us use pistons. And they said, we are not going to let you use pistons to push TNT into somebody else's plot.
Well, you can't even place TNT, so.
Oh, that's right. You can't.
Well, I'm dead. Okay. I'm slash hubbing. I want to look at the suggestion. Mystic is typing it right now. Okay, I'm gonna mute.
You probably could make a noise
because I have to check something. Be right back. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna slash disguise. I don't know why I was undisguised. I was like, I'm gonna try and like own kids in battle box being undisguised. I don't know my mindset. I was just like, I'll try and. Wow, look how beautiful. Okay. Let me get on this. Can I even log on to here? Okay. All right, let's see what you guys are talking about. I don't really know like what they mean. Oh. Okay, I kind of see what like you're talking about, but it's still kind of hard. Hold on. This isn't like optimal in my opinion. It's good. It's pretty good. Huh. Is it like different on this server? I don't know. I feel like I would just like rather not do that. You don't even need to jump. Don't you need momentum to do that? Did you remove the chat from the main screen? Yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't really like that tech for me. What the heck? What the heck? Emma, thank you so much. Let's freaking go, Emma. Thank you. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go back to MCCI. Thank you so freaking much for the 5 gifted subs. 5 kills equals points for first. Hannah, wait. Oh, so if I kill 5 people, it's as many as getting first place. Interesting. Hi, Leek. Thanks for changing your name color. And then Civilly, thank you so much for the prime. Thank you. Okay, what do I genuinely need practice on? I'm making a plobby. Guys, log on. Everyone log on. I need you online. I need you online. Okay, wait. Nobody can join yet. Don't join. I'm locking it, and we're gonna set it to... Okay, no, it's unlocked. It's unlocked. Everyone join my plobby. Everyone join my plobby. Oops. Slash chat. Local. Everyone join my plobby. Okay, we're going to do... To get to the other side. Hi, Wally. Thank you. Thanks, Wally Bear. You have to kill people. Now, don't worry. I've been practicing killing people in Rocket Spleef Rush.
Moon Rosie just redeemed text to speak. Hannah, you look really pretty. I'm definitely getting that win back to back. Also, chat, I think we should all be blue.
Thank
Blue
you.
Heart, butterfly, bow and arrow.
Thank you. That is so sweet. Thank you, Moon Rosie. Okay. So right now we're going to practice to get to the other side on the like real maps. There's 3 real maps that we know about. I'm scared. I'm scared because we don't know one of the maps. Emma, thank you for the gifted sub. Thank you.
Gifted a tier 1 sub to skies_wasn't_.
Thank you. So guys, my thing is whenever I take the left route, I don't know why I always flop. Even though I know that's like optimal, I just get confused. So maybe I'll just go try do straight right now. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Why don't I just try and do straight? Fuck! Why? Am I bad? Be honest. Am I bad? Be honest.
Foolish Lydia gifted a tier 1.
Okay, that was my first speed bridge of the day, guys. That was my first speed bridge of the day. Be nice. No. Thank you, Foolish Lydia, for the gifted sub to Leak Live. Thank you. Yeah, guys, that's the first round that I've done today. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, guys, let's be appropriate in the chat. I see some people being a little bit crazy. Let's, guys, no, don't be like that. Hannah, can you not be nicked? Okay, I'll undisguise next round. Oh, how do you join a plobby? Do /plobby space join space hannahxxrose. Bubbles! Oh my gosh, wait, Lumi's here. And Nara! Look at Nara's cute skin. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Okay, guys, I'm gonna need you to step back. Okay, guys, I'm gonna need you to all step back. I don't care, I'm punching Nara. I don't care if you guys punch me, by the way. Like, it's It's part of the game. Oh my god, Nara survived that. Why was that like helpful? Oh my god, I just got Nara first place by punching them. Nara, wow, you ate that. And then Shake and Parrot, thank you so much for the prime. Thank you. And hi, Sanchit. Thank you. Nara, wow. You got first place. You know, I'm gonna say I assisted a little bit by punching you. Just a little bit. I gave you that momentum. No, but going up there is so OP. The wing is just too good. Like, honestly, I think I saw a Technoblade one where he got, I don't know, maybe it was him. He got first doing regular. And yeah, I think it probably is a little bit faster to do regular because you can like block clutch just right here. Boom. Boom. It probably is a little bit faster, but I'm not going to do that because that's a way safer up there. I think that's way safer. Hi, Haley. It has not started. Don't worry. Hi, Melanie. What time is it? We have honestly a lot of time to just like do this. Should I go up that way just to practice? Also, I want to stay nicked because I want people to like punch me, you know? I don't want people to be like not punching. See? Like they punched me because I was nicked. Maybe they, okay. Maybe maybe they wouldn't have punched me otherwise. I want that bow so bad. I hate you. I want that bow. Oh, I feel bad. I feel bad. Wait, is that Lumi? Terra Swoop isn't in this one. We have no idea. There's like a secret map that we don't know what it is. So thank you, Fernando. Hi, Clone Bob. Thank you for the prime. Or not the prime, the sub. Why did I just say prime? Thank you for the sub, Clone Bob. Hello. No, Lumi, I love your bow and I want that bow so bad and I'm jealous. Oh my god, look at Nara. Look. We're twinning. That is so adorable. Hi, JJ. I saw you earlier. Okay, we're gonna do one more of these same maps. And then we'll do some other stuff. I know everyone's like, why are we playing the same map over and over again? Hi, I love Minecraft. Okay. Okay, actually lock in, like stop. Oh yeah, I forgot why I don't go that way. It's like too long. What the? Oh my god, it was lagging. It was lagging. Thanks, I love Minecraft. Okay, but that was a good run. Like, that was fine. You can't really improve much on this run. Like, I mean, we can go back to the front and check it out, I guess. It just sucks because you have to go all the way up there. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Boom. And then maybe go up mid. I'm gonna go like that. People always punch there though. That's what pisses me off. Hannah, I love Minecraft, by the way. Hi. Aw. Oh shit. Not the slabs. Okay, well. Oh, hell no. Yeah. 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 I think that first jump is possible without getting stuck on the block. Maybe. Nah. Yeah, I got, see what I mean though? Like, that is probably the optimal route. Like this route, it's a lot more safe. This route's a lot more safe. That's why I like going up. Also, it's really easy for your teammates to follow you. They can just go up and then you get a really good team bonus. Hi, Lemon Squares. Hi, Soon. Hi, how are you? I'm chilling. Okay. What's the next one? Hi, Vow. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, it's... Okay, this one I actually have to lock in for. I'm gonna try and go straight. The reason I go up is because I don't want to get griefed. Oh, right here, you get fucking griefed. If you don't go up really high, you get griefed. Nice. That was good. I mean, that was good. That jump that I did was like kind of clean. Right here, I shouldn't have done that. I definitely shouldn't have done that. It's like a 4-block jump with a block clutch, but I don't know. I just wanted to try it to see if it would work. I'm not going to do that in the real event, but that was good. Okay, let's see what else we can do here. Oh, I guess I should have stayed. I'm going to rejoin. What can we do? Let's do a rocket spleef rush. Yeah. Yay! I tied for first place with a sweat. I'm just kidding. I don't know if you're a sweat, but if you got first, then you probably are. Bree, thank you. Thank you so much for the prime for 22 months. Put some hype. Put some hype, everybody. Xer says LMAO. Listen, you must be a sweat if you got first place. Aw, thank you. Okay. Well. Oh, thank you, Senna Gaming. Oh my god. Feel like hole in the wall after? Yeah, probably. I mean, I don't know how much I can improve in like 1 minute, like 30 minutes, but I'll try. I don't want to do battle box practice. I'm just so burnt out from that game. My god. I'll play like this is the real event. The thing about targeting people in the very beginning is it's like really hard. Sorry, this is really loud. It's really hard. Because people have 2 updrafts. Honestly, I might be mean and like target people that I know might not have a lot of experience in this game. Because kills were worth so more. Like, if they didn't want me to, then they shouldn't have done that. How do you go so high when you boost? You have to shift. Unshift. When you're... Shift when you land, shift when you rocket jump, and then unshift spam spacebar when you're going up and look at the horizon. God. I'm trying to play like I'm in the real event right now. If they lowered kill points, I don't think they did. They increased them. Or do you know? That person's low. Also, guys, if I get griefed and targeted in the real event, there's literally nothing I can do, so I'm sorry. I don't think I will. But I think that when Purple plays this event, he's going to be very displeased with the amount of people that are going to target him. Can you link your skin and turn off Elytra Dura? What do you mean, turn off Elytra Dura? Elytraduras in the real event. Ah! I'm an idiot. I don't know why I thought I could like land on the next one. Yeah, I asked, and they have 2 updrafts in the real event. Okay, I'm gonna play like a rat. Killed that person. I kind of want to predict where people are going, but I can't. So I'm so focused on what I'm doing. Yo, okay. I won. Nice, GG. Okay, we'll do one more, one of these practices. Good job, thanks. If you're going to die, you can shoot the platform to make it shorter so you can land. Ah, I see what you mean by that. That's a pretty good tip. That's a really good tip. I want this bow so bad. I'm so jealous when I see girlies in the lobby that have that bow. I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. I'm a hater and I want it. Oh, sorry, Jemmy. Sorry. Sometimes people get like kicked because there's too many people in the party. Or they get spectated. Yeah, they're spectating. Sorry. No, it's a MCC cosmetic. I'm targeting Nara. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, it's lagging. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I just have to survive. Oh, it's lagging. Oh. Okay. There's too many spectators, that's why. As a Quake Champions player, it's easy for me to predict where people go. What do you mean? What's Quake Champions? What do you? Is that like Quakecraft? A legendary game. It's not Minecraft, is it? That person's at 1. Oh my god. See, I should have got that kill. I just missed. I'm an idiot. Oh, they're griefing me. I've been pretty good at landing on singular blocks like that. Like, I used to not be able to do that, but since I've been playing when I'm watching TV, I've been playing a lot better. Hannah, hi netherite sword. Oh my god, I killed that person. I'm going to be genuinely shocked if they made it. Oh my god, they're alive. They're alive. See how I'm like in the back of the pack? Like that's like optimal. Damn. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. GG. I had a bad jump. No. It's okay. Like, I made it that far. That was good. It's fine. Have you tried gliding when you fall? What do you mean? Macy, thank you for the Prime for 16 months. Thank you. Yeah, probably I should have stayed higher when I was gliding. Like, I agree when I was like actually dead, when I knew I was dead. I don't want to play this again because it was lagging. Ooh. Okay, sorry to anyone that has to spec. Wait. Okay. Okay. Wait, did Valid win? I did Xers. Puffy, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, G! Guys! Guys! Thank you. That's so nice. That is so nice. Yeah, I'm just doing some practice right now. Being a sweat. Me and Kara watch. Oh my god! Thanks, guys. Now I'm scared. Oh, Artie, thank you so much for the gifted sub. Thank you. Or Artemis. Why did I just call you the wrong name? Is that gonna come back? You know, they changed it, so sometimes walls come back. It came back! Oh, Scotty, thank you for the gifted subs to G. Thank you. Dude, I hate the map, like when the map disappears on this map because it's like one pillar, one pillar, one pillar. It's really miserable. Oh my gosh, Lydia, thank you for the gifted sub to Puffy. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. And people call me Artie all the time. Okay, got you. Oh my god. Did anyone die yet? Guys, Jemmy, was that you? Jemmy. I almost died. What the? We gotta watch for the walls that come back. It's so crazy that they added that from MCCI. That is so crazy. Guys, who's dying? Okay. Again? Oh. I have to like sit up when I play this game. Is that just me? Crystal, thank you for the sub. Thank you, Crystal. Something that I know, this might come back because see how there's no other walls? See? You can kind of tell when the walls are going to come back. Well, you can jump over that, right? Chat? Wait, can you jump over that? It's 2.5. Oh, never mind. I should have jumped through the regular one then. I did kind of hack through that wall. Lydia, thank you for the gifted sub to Dia Diamonds. See, it says Dia Diamonds in the text to speech. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's crazy. Come on, guys. You got this. Look at all these cool people alive right now. You have to shift. Stars, thank you for the prime. You're so sweet. Thanks. Okay, we'll wait for this to end and we'll just keep playing these because I think I'll get the most out of this. Okay. Please wait 10 seconds. Hi, Born Chef. Okay. Okay, this song is awesome. Thank you, Bree. They said Hannah in all caps. The new game is Railroad Rush. And I found out that you only get coins based on how long it is vertically, like from start to end. It doesn't matter if you go like left, right, it's just forward, backward that matters.
Just redeemed text to speak.
So yeah.
Roses are red, the bats are blue. You got this, Hannah, we are rooting for you.
Thank you. That's awesome. Tina! Why'd you die? It's gonna come back. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Have you got any strats for it? Kinda. I think someone should go and mine all the gold. Obviously, like... I'm gonna run far ahead, mine gold, look at what's going on up there, and then while my teammates start the beginning. Wait, I have to make sure everyone's on the same page, like the same page. Dynamite gives you blocks? What do you mean? Thanks, Haley. We'll try. I mean, it's gonna be hard. Like over 100, but like they're just blocks like that. Don't those blocks disappear after like the 5 seconds of them being like existing or whatever? Am I going crazy? Why don't people play this in Quake? Do they? Do people play this in Quake? Does he? I might start playing this in Quake. Also, I changed my FOV because I stopped using dynamic FOV, and I don't even know how to explain. I'll explain in a second, everybody. That one's gonna come next, I think. Is it not? Yeah. Artemis, thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs. Is this left or right? Oh. Well, I knew it was left, but I'm an idiot, so GG. Damn, why can't we get those hard walls like sooner on? Oh, really, Super Batman? That's cool. What I was saying, I turned off dynamic FOV. FOV effects off. Damage till off now. And I also play with you bobbing off. So that's why I made my FOV like 92 instead of what it used to be. But I guess we'll play this in Quake. I know we're middle. I hope MCC announces Reputation, Taylor's version. I know, bro. Why can't they just do that? I know, I've been playing Hoplite like this, so it's not like I changed it yesterday, but I've been playing Hoplite like... What the... chat? Oh. I've been playing Hoplite like this for like 2 weeks now. So, yeah. Guys? Why do I feel like this is going to be laggy? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so obsessed with... The song is goated. The song is so good. Should I just play this in Quake now? I feel like I should. Why is this so much better? This is so much better, and it doesn't affect my gameplay that much. Oh my gosh, a sweat's in here. Snards, they're on every day. They're a sweat, but they're so good. They're so good. So I'm glad that I'm playing against good people. I trust that all of you guys are really good at the game if you're in this lobby right now. And they always have cute cosmetics. They're like goated. Also, guys, if I call you a sweat, that's a compliment, okay? I'm not... Like, that's a compliment. Just so you know. You can kind of tell when they come back. I'm sorry, but Quake's the meta. I'm sorry. What? Why has nobody told me about this before? People are going to be so tripped out with the walls coming back like that. They're going to be so tripped out. I might come back. Nope. No! Yo, Dave.
Yo.
I'm in a lobby right now playing Hole in the Wall. I don't know if you want to join or if you're practicing something else.
I just got off right now.
Oh, sorry. Okay. My bad.
But you're good.
I thought that you were... I don't know. I thought that was a log on message. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah. No, I just got off.
Okay. I'm going to keep practicing until 5 minutes until... Okay. Be right back.
Sounds good. I might hop back on in a minute or two, but I just started streaming, so...
Okay. Sorry. Bye. Okay. I guess I'm improving. Maybe this is what was holding me back the whole time. That's definitely not it, by the way. It's because I'm bad. Oh wait, I like that idea, Super Gamer. I feel like it's too late to do that. Guys, are we cooking or burning the kitchen down? Guys? We're burning the kitchen down. Hey, how are you guys playing and watching my stream at the same time? Oh, Cameron, I'm in a private lobby, so then there's more people. We need a more hype song than this. Okay, another Lana Del Rey. This is good. Bubbles, why did you die? Oh shoot. Oh god. Guys. I knew they were gonna die. Thank you, Cameron, in the chat. I might come back. Sun God! Oh. Oh my god, lag! No, no, please. No, I'm dead. Guys. Oh my god. I survived! I was just standing in a good spot. Oh my god, Sun God, thank you so much. Guys, put some hannahxx Prime in the chat. That is amazing. Crazy long sub. Thank you so much. Well, that was rough. That was rough. Okay, we have to play this again. We have to play this again. You should have gone back, in my opinion. Is there like a better jump there than what I did? Oh, there. I should have been there. Move to the back right. Oh, there. Okay. Okay. I agree. I agree. I'm gonna flop on one of the walls where it's like, these aren't that bad. I can do that. Though this is what's hard. That guy won because they were on the left. They just got, yeah. They have Jessica's. It's really good. I think our team intro is gonna be cute. Okay, we'll do like one more of these. I didn't listen to it yet, Cinna. No, Gaming Star. No, I'm not gonna play in Quake the whole event. I think it's worth it to play Hole in the Wall in Quake. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. I'm an idiot. What's the number of players I need to make it so we can play Battle Box, guys? Hi, Leah Spidey. Oh my gosh, the song requests are broken. No, oh my god, I'm sorry. Can we refund? Can we refund and turn off song requests? They're like broken right now. Otherwise, I totally would listen. 32. Okay. Thank you, Fajr. Sorry. I think I did something to my PC where my song requests don't really work anymore. And I don't know how to fix it. Can we do Dynaball? No. I'm selfish and we can only play games that are in MCC. Yeah, yesterday it was rough. I think it's fine, Super Gamer. I hope it's fine. I hope. I'm just trying to get like used to doing random stuff, you know? Is this the only practice? Yeah, yeah. The event starts in like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. But this is practice, yeah. That's gonna come back. Yup. That might come back. Oh, nope. I'm so bad at this game, like... Okay. Okay, let's see. What can we do? Okay. I might leave like halfway through this. Thank you, Senna Gaming. My team already built the podium. Ooh, fire song. Perfect map too. Okay, valid. Someone on my team go healer. Not valid though. Someone else go healer. Sir or ma'am, please. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I can't believe the song went number 1. Like, what? That's crazy. Okay, I have to get out of Quake. They're all at the bottom? Is Nara alone? Oh, poor Nara. Thanks for the heal. Okay, sorry that some of the teams are a little bit like one person's out. And sorry if anyone's spectating, I just can't help it. It just makes people spectate. Working late, 'cause I'm a singer. That's so good. That's so good. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. Like, that is so good. No, check. What do you mean did I see the B-movie edit to the song? I did not. I did not. Oh, they're trying to backstab us. Oh, man. I'm dead. I freaked out. I freaked out. I'm sorry. I just freaked out. Ghost them! Just kidding. I'll join the server after like 2 more battle box rounds. Don't worry, don't worry. Wait, the song hasn't gone #1 in the US yet? Oh my gosh. Gene, I'm on Gene Ellie's TV. I'm taking a screenshot. Look. On the TV. This is not the vibe. The song is not the vibe. Yes, this is the vibe. Okay. Did I really have to get shot? Can I have a heal? Surely they hear me, right? No, give me a... Yes! Thank you. Oh, I'm out of arrows. Well, everyone's in a pile, so... Two more. Oh. One more. Oh, they're up there. Oh, okay. Ace. I think. Nice. Oh, you didn't have to die there. You didn't have to die there. One more, and then I'll leave. I'll leave after this round. I shot him. Oh. Did our healer die? Oh, they healed themselves. Is my healer dead? Oh no, I'm dead. Why did I hit them too fast? I like swung too fast and it was not a crit. I'm leaving. Okay. Hi, I'm here.
Hello.
Okay, I'm on the actual server.
Hell yeah.
I was just maximizing my practice time. Like, you guys understand, right?
Oh, I get it. I mean, Michael's not even back yet.
Oh, where's Eric? Where are they?
Eric wrote in the Discord like an hour ago, so they should be around, but...
Okay, I asked. Should we go to the dodge bolt?
I'm down, I think.
Where is it?
It's right outside where all the plots are. Right here.
Come to dodge bolt. All right, let's go on blue. Guys, can someone come to dodgeball?
Oh, and we're just stuck in this 2x1.
Please.
Oh.
Who is that?
All right, gotta lock in.
Who are they?
I think I saw Scott.
Well, okay. I was like, I forgot that it's ice for a second.
Oh, I overled that shot. Oops. I don't remember how to strafe this game. Oh.
Damn.
Oh.
I'm just too predictable. Okay, again. But we need Michael in here now. Michael, get in here.
Oh.
Again. Oh.
Oh, why didn't I get put in? Is it only 2 edits? Oh, I had to jump.
You're in.
I got it.
Okay, I didn't know that they went for the arrow. To be fair, I was turning down my music.
Yeah.
But now you have 2 arrows. Which
Got
is great.
one.
Hello.
Hello?
Less than 3.
Hi. How are you?
Taimu,
guys?
thank you for the prime.
You good?
Thank you.
Are you?
We're good. We got this. Shit.
Now you have... Ooh.
Oh.
I gotta turn down the game.
I like this. This is what I'm going to be doing in between every game. Because I just get bored.
You have to jump to get in the control thing.
All right.
Going for the arrow.
No sponsor for the stage? No, we don't have a sponsor on our stage. Maybe next time.
Sorry, Gumu standing still. I'm sorry.
Dude, I've been instantly killed every time we play this. That's tough.
All right, we have both.
Okay, you got that. Nice, great
Hello.
job. Hello.
I'm running a little late.
No, you're
You're
good.
trying not to
2 minutes
overlap with
early.
me.
MCC event.
You get the arrow?
Yep.
Okay,
You
I'll.
guys
Who you
practicing?
aiming at?
Sorry.
Yeah, there's a dodgeball practice on in the main server now.
Oh,
okay.
Have we decided what we're doing for our stage?
Yeah, we
Try not to
finished that
overlap
already.
with me, Michael. Because whenever
We
you
got him kinda
overlap,
early
they
and did
shoot
it.
on the overlap.
You did it already? Oh, I need to see this.
Yeah, well, we had to do it. We had.
Dude,
you had to do
everyone's
it.
is so cool.
Sorry.
Oh,
Well,
it
that's
doesn't
not
say who you
fault.
killed there.
Where are the
You had to make
stages?
it before 3.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I
Oh,
should have
here are the
ran and got the
stages,
arrow.
okay.
I'm an idiot.
Oh,
Want
look at
some?
everyone with lightsabers. I mean, light swords.
Light swords.
Yes.
Hmm.
Where is our
Got it,
stage?
we got it. We're the big cave one.
Wait, this is a. Oh, this is ours.
Where's
Wow,
my
that's
other arrow?
so cool.
Oh, in my inventory.
Who wants to be in the cage?
It's gonna be random, except Michael won't be. But
Yeah, I didn't know
So
that.
bad.
I didn't know that you couldn't make it random again. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So one of us. Ours is the best one. Okay, no, there are some pretty cool ones, but ours is
Yeah.
one of the best.
yeah.
GG.
That's
Again.
really cool.
let's do it.
Oh yeah, let's go.
What even
Let's
is this
jump.
supposed to be? Is this a rocket ship?
Oh
I think
yeah,
a lot of
Ooh.
Star Wars builds.
yeah. There's a few Star Wars.
Oh, that's a sleeping cat.
Are we all ready? I pressed
Guys,
yes.
why are we all against Feinberg?
We're gonna lose.
Oh, it's
Fair
the
fight.
Millennium Falcon. Oh my god. Some people
we're about
have
to
really
start
gone
here.
all out on this.
Yeah,
This is so
I think we're about to
cool.
start too. Okay, so
Oh, the
guys,
music is
before
starting.
we start, I want to go over this railroad rush really quick. So remember,
Yes.
so we were talking about it yesterday. All that matters is how long we go from start to end. It doesn't matter if we add left, right, rails, like that doesn't matter. All that matters is
Yes.
the most optimal going from the beginning to the end of a checkpoint. So it doesn't matter, like if we add right to left ones, it doesn't give us extra points or anything. It's just like, you know, also,
You guess as
don't-
far as you can.
yes, we should probably not use TNT on the gold rush thing. I think that's really useless. Also, I think we should use TNT on like really far, like cobblestone things, like that are really far near the end. What else? I'll run ahead at the very beginning and like see what's up, see where we have to go. Maybe someone else run ahead as well, and maybe
I'll run with you.
Okay.
For that.
2 people stay at the beginning, start building the very beginning. Then I run ahead, mine any gold, come back with the gold, buy stuff, and then we move on and we like scout
can
out where
build.
the
Every 3
beautiful.
minutes we get a gold rush.
Yeah.
Every 3
So,
minutes? Ooh,
every 3
damn.
minutes. I don't know how long it's gonna go for though. Is it 10 minutes?
1 minute, I think.
The whole event?
The gold
No,
gold
no, no,
rush.
no, no. I'm saying that
Oh,
game. I
the
think
game?
That game
It's-
is 10 minutes.
Oh, I bet it's like
Makes
So
10
there'll be
or
3
15.
gold rushes total?
I don't know. Maybe.
Probably.
I have no idea.
I honestly
Okey
don't
dokey.
know how long any game is. Now that you mention it,
I have no
ask
how
concept
long
of
is Gold
time.
Rush? I read. I think someone said that it was every 3 minutes there was a Gold Rush. I don't remember where
That's
I saw
true.
that.
That's true. I saw that. So that will be our first game. I think the second game we should try and go for like anything at one of these, hole in the wall, bingo, or like something. I don't know, sands.
Hey,
But that's
well,
not gonna
I love you,
happen.
but I'm gonna watch Kratzy call
Oh,
them.
maybe.
okay.
Some of these games I feel like are not newbie friendly. Like
That is totally
Sands of
fine.
Time.
Thank you, Razor,
If I'm like
for the
new to
sub.
MCC, I'm not trying to play Sands of Time.
Yeah.
So hopefully maybe we could get some people to vote for that early if we want to get that out earlier.
Yeah, I like Sands
Yeah.
of Time, but that's because I'm not the one with the stressful jobs.
No, you have the most important job though.
I
It is
actually think
important.
Sandkeeper is one of the most stressful. Because
Well,
you
okay.
got to keep us on your. We got to keep.
Yeah,
you gotta
no
keep us on
pressure,
our,
but
Okay,
on
I'm
our
good at that.
toes.
I don't find that stressful, so
Crypto
we're
Chaos,
in good
thank
hands.
you for the 30
Can't
3
wait on
years.
Shadoon.
Years today. Good luck,
3
Hannah.
years.
Hannah,
Everyone
7
put hype.
Hannah,
3 years is insane. Thank you so much. And then Kay, thank you for the 20-month, guys. Guys, that's crazy. That's crazy. Like, thank you. Thank you both. I didn't see what you said about me, Hannah. Razor, thank you so much. And it's okay. You can go watch whoever you want. Okay, I'm back. Okay.
3 minutes and 54 seconds.
I'm freaking out. I'm going to be right back.
This is not the time to go anywhere. Oh man.
May the 4th be with you.
Etho's not wearing a themed skin.
Cringe.
Is this Etho's first?
Has he not been in one before?
I gotta get a screeny with Etho. That's Minecraft royalty right there. I gotta get a
I
screen-
do. I
No,
remember
don't go-
watching like
no!
Etho's videos when I was like 13 or something. Damn.
I think Etho played one before.
One before. I'm getting a picture with Nox.
A bunch of the Hermit. I think like the pink team though. I think like Sizzle and Tango are new.
Hi.
Okay.
What's up? What'd you say?
Ayo. We're talking about who's
Oh
new.
my god, I'm getting a picture with Hannah Rose.
A picture.
Yeah,
We're going.
I'm ready for the picture.
The sun's going down.
Oh.
No, Jer Bear.
Oh, it's a
That was my
3-minute
door.
countdown. Wait.
Oh, wait. Oh, this is so
MCC
Oh,
cool.
we're starting.
Season 4 kickoff.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's starting.
Oh, this is where they're gonna put our stages. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Cute.
Who's gonna be in the cage? I bet it's gonna be me.
I already know.
Who will be in the cage?
I hope
put
it's
it-
not me.
There's a door in the back, by the way, just so you're not actually locked. You
The
can leave.
sleeping cat.
Oh.
That's so cool.
Cute.
I like that.
I did not even realize it was a cat until you said
It
that.
took me a minute to
Yeah,
realize.
the wood made
Yeah.
it kind of hard, but it's really well made.
I see the vision there. Could have never done
Little
that.
house. It could be better, but little house.
I like that a lot.
Oh, it's
Cute.
I like that one.
cool.
That's cute.
Oh my god, that's so good.
That's so funny.
Why is he
That's
in the
cute.
box? What is that?
Because he fell.
Oh, they're Han, Leia, Luke, and
Hi, Kane.
3PO.
Oh my god, they are.
Nice.
That's so
That's so cool.
Cute.
Yeah.
Then it goes Aqua.
I love that
Axolotl,
one.
then it
That's
Yeah.
an
goes-
insane build. I like.
Is that an
Yeah,
ant?
cyan.
Oh, because
Yeah.
it's the
Yeah,
ants.
cyan
You've got
ants,
like
cyan
ant
ants.
venom, ant
cyan
frost.
ants.
Okay, we're after this.
It's almost
We're
our
actually-
turn.
Oh, yeah, I guess we just moon.
Who's
Do we
going to
just,
be in the
like, twerk?
cage? Ooh.
Oh, it's me. I knew it.
Yeah.
That is insane.
Money,
That
money,
is
broke
money,
out.
insane.
money, 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 money.
You can just leave.
This is really cute.
Yeah.
I need to see that from the outside perspective.
That's so cool.
Like it was a bow tie. It took me a second to realize.
Oh, I thought
just
that
a
was like a
bow
Hello
tie.
Kitty
Aw.
bow.
It's like team tie, I think it's called.
I
Yeah.
think they're pink. Yeah.
That is adorable. Let us in. Let us in.
The doors open.
That was crazy.
That's so cool, man. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Oh my god, my heart.
Oh yeah.
I'm scared, guys.
Oh, look up. They've got like all these different fireworks like loop-de-looping in the
Oh
air.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There's
I like it.
lasers.
Nice builds, everyone. Thank you.
Man.
God, that was a big firework. Jeez.
I just need the game music tab on for the music to play, right? Or no?
I don't know.
I don't hear any music right now. I wasn't
I
sure if
think
you
this
guys.
might be. Oh,
Oh,
core music, maybe?
Yeah, I just turned it up, but
15 seconds.
I think if the song already started and you had your music off, it doesn't start playing
Oh yeah,
until the next
8,
song plays.
7,
man.
6,
all the lasers
5,
look so
4,
cool.
3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Let's go.
Also, chat, I want everyone to know.
Donald Duck?
Wait, no, run.
Donald Duck. Wait, what?
I think Flameberg's Donald Duck.
Yummy.
Wait, where's the elevator?
Where's the elevator?
Wait, what?
No more elevators.
Guys. What the heck? Where's the elevator? Okay.
People have been waiting for this moment for months.
All right.
I have like anxiety.
We're gonna
feel
kill
that.
it. We're gonna do so good.
It took me like a solid like 2 seasons to get past the early game anxiety, and even then I still get a little anxious.
I'm doing
I feel like
great.
maybe we gotta find the elevator. Maybe the elevator's in a new spot.
Okay, what game are we going? Okay, so the first game will be the new game,
I
right?
hope not Super Gamer.
Yeah, apparently
That's
what I
what
heard.
I had
but
heard. I hope that's it.
I'm sure we could get everyone to vote for it though, because I don't know anyone who's super confident they're gonna do the best.
Yeah.
Oh
Yo,
god. I
Sky
guess
Battle's
it's-
not even here yet, so Sky Battle's gonna have to be played late game.
I'm gonna start
Alright,
swaying the
Railroad
vote.
Rush, right?
I'm gonna start swaying the vote.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? People
Yeah.
just do what we do. See?
Everyone put
So
them in
what
the
are
new
we-
game.
Also, a lot of people
Oh.
won't do Rocket Spleef too, though.
Okay, guys. Sky Battle is here, by the way.
We don't get it. We don't get to choose because our chicken's behind you, Hannah.
Yeah, our chickens
bad,
just
yeah.
ran away.
No!
My bad.
Only one of our chickens stayed.
Execution.
This
It's
might
gonna
be
be Rocket
a
Sleep.
yeah. This might be a Rocket Sleep rush.
Unless they leave,
I'm
and then
alright
it
with
could
it.
Or
possibly
Sky
be
Battle.
Sky Battle.
Rocket
Oh,
Sleep.
Sky Battle's right here.
I thought they were starting with that.
It might be
game, though.
Sky Battle.
I did not see Sky Battle.
Dude,
Yeah,
it's
it might
Sky
be.
Battle.
I think it's probably Sky Battle.
Okay, out of
That's
any
alright.
PvP game, we get stuck with early. That's the
That's fine.
most wild card game.
It's like so random.
Okay.
You know.
I
Thank you so much for the
think
sub,
everyone was going for
Rocky.
Rocket Sleep Rush, and I think it just ended up being Sky Battle by Chickens and Rocket over there.
Okay, so.
Ooh, the new
Lightsabers. Yeah,
screens.
this is cool. Big fan of this.
It works. They did say lunar client might break, but it's working, so that's good. Except
Why
I
are
know
you
how to
using
play.
Lunar?
Why aren't you using the
Oh,
MCC
you're a sponsor. That's
client?
right.
Because I'm
Yeah.
selling out.
True.
And because I always play on lunar. But
Okay, so I'm gonna bridge, but I need someone to like make the safe, like make it a little bit safe. You know.
yeah, I got you.
Okay.
I gotta get at least one
Fishing rods are
kill.
huge, by the way. Like,
do you guys do gambling in your Twitch chat?
Not for
Gambling?
this.
I love
oh, with
gambling.
points. Sometimes
Okay,
not during MCC. I neglect my chat.
So
What if we
make
just
sure,
walked
okay,
off
guys,
and we couldn't
guys,
play?
make sure someone picks up the crafting table. Okay, I'm gonna go straight up and build
Oh,
in.
yeah.
So
I'll get the
Yep.
crafting table.
Eric, you got the crafting table. I'm gonna go get right chest and then go up and bridge, and
Sure.
then
Okay.
I mean,
I
let's see
shouldn't
what's
be
in the
trusted
boxes
with much
first.
of anything important.
yeah, I'll see what's in there, obviously. But make sure you take the TNT as well.
Yeah,
Yes,
I'll
yes,
take this
yes.
right chest here. Make sure we don't miss any like iron blocks or anything.
By
If
the
you-
way, your lightsaber is a stone sword, so just
Yeah.
don't. Yeah.
It was just webs and whatever.
Oh, can I
sorry.
get the creepers and cobwebs though?
Yeah. Okay. I didn't
That's
get.
my that's my strat in
I've
MCC
got a
Island.
fuck ton of snowballs.
Heck yeah.
Grabbing the crafting table.
I think we missed like a chest.
Okay. We're just going.
I think
up.
we could have gone left or right and got a chest like to our left
Do you
here.
want to grab that?
Ooh, golden apple
Here, you
and
grab
healing
that, Dave.
potions.
Michael,
Ooh,
Yeah,
watch,
that's
watch
huge.
me, watch me, watch me.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Cross.
Don't seem to be.
Okay, I have a bridge in. I have a bridge in.
Oh, hold on. I knocked off, but I'm alive.
Diamond ore.
I took some damage, so I'm playing a little.
I found one diamond ore.
Okay,
Heck
just
yeah.
mine it and come in.
I'm up here, Eric. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come in with me. Let's just get on the ground here. Get on the ground.
Yeah.
Shh.
I can shot
Dave,
it.
should I get mid?
If you feel confident that you can
can
get
run
it.
it. Might as well. Are you
Mid's
right
taken,
there?
mid's taken. Let's go back.
Oh,
Run back.
Sure.
Okay, is everyone together? Let's get up a water
Yeah.
tower. You want this one?
I just saw
Yeah,
like
we can do
orange
that.
go
That's
into the
fine.
back of that
Okay,
tower.
sorry. This one.
Oh, did I? Need
Can
to
we
get
go?
out.
that
Can we go
one.
up this
Halfway
water
up
tower?
yeah, I made it out. Oh, you guys missed an iron block.
Oh, sorry.
There's other people going in this tower though, but
I have a
Yeah,
diamond
just
sword.
some orange going in that one.
Dave,
We
you,
got this.
do you have an iron sword? Okay, let's make some armor now.
yeah,
I've
I
got,
have two
a
iron
ton
blocks
of
on me.
snowballs. There's a crossbow, more arrows in there, more.
Oh,
creepers
also
in there.
here's
yeah.
diamond boots. I shouldn't have just dropped on the ground, but diamond boots for everyone.
Here's some golden apples and a healing potion and some
I could make an iron sword if I had a stick, but I don't have a stick.
Here's
some
a
more iron.
stick. Dave, make a diamond sword. Eric,
thank
put
you.
on these boots.
What should I make?
Dave, take
armor
a gap.
with? Pants.
Michael, can you make one pants for me and you?
I have one
I
diamond.
only have
Does
6
anyone have
iron.
a diamond?
Okay. Do you have anyone have iron?
No.
Not anymore.
Okay, I see
Okay.
an
I
iron
made an
block.
iron axe.
Watch,
Oh,
everyone
watch out.
I was shifted.
I
don't
think
know.
I got someone.
Yeah, but they're above, so they can still
Damn.
get you if they're high enough.
Okay, let's
I'll
just
just
be
build a wall.
careful then. Do you want me to? Should we grab another iron block? or
Watch
something?
out!
Oh,
Eric.
what?
You're getting fishing rodded.
Wait, where?
They're-
Just come back up. Just come back up.
I have
Or
only
top right.
6 iron. I don't know what to do with this.
They're gonna get top bordered. 6 iron, you could
Eric,
make.
can you come back up?
know.
Our water tower right
not
here.
easily.
Yeah, there's a water tower right here. You can go in and just swim up.
Mine into the water tower.
For my sub gift.
We're gonna be worrying about these guys fishing around us the whole time.
Yeah, we're gonna just have to.
Here to the go to the right.
Hey,
No,
can
it's
you let me?
good. I'm
in?
making distance here.
Place block under you at the corner. Nice.
If they hook you, Michael, just go under the little lip we've built here, and then they
This
won't.
map is. I've got 9 arrows.
We got green team right here in front of us, which I'm only worried about Fire Breath Man. But red team might be going. Watch out! I hit Shed Dune fishing rod. Frick.
Did someone fall?
Michael, but he's alive.
Okay.
There you
There
go.
we
There's lots
Oh,
of fighting going on.
border.
Border. Yeah.
They're shooting
Just gotta
us.
build forward a little bit.
Gotten. We might just have to jump into the middle here.
Let's take bottom right here. Let's go down
We
here.
can kill
Come
Ace
down
bomb here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
there's
CPK.
I
people.
just crit CPK. He's on 3. If you can shoot him. Oh, he healed.
Remember to eat. Remember to eat.
Wait, Michael, come back. Michael, come back. Michael, come back.
F-whip.
Yeah.
This guy's.
Okay, guys, let's stay together. Stop going
Yeah,
in.
I just got to kill.
Let's make a little platform so we can actually move in.
Yeah. Watch out for Pizza Hut over here.
Start making platform. Make platform.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Watch
low.
out from above though.
Health potion.
Start making platform in.
I knocked orange juice down.
God, this is chaotic.
Got Feinberg.
Oh my god!
Another.
In the middle. I don't know what to do up
gonna
here.
smack-
No, there's just too much going on, dude. Jeez.
Sorry.
Oh, I almost got that creeper. I would have killed both of them. Dang it. I killed
My
2 people there.
God.
Oh, 3.
I
Okay.
think going low on that one is like
Yeah.
there's 3 layers. Okay.
Dude, I almost just soloed purple team. I misplaced
Damn,
that.
hell yeah.
Was I the last one on the team?
We're tight for
so.
first place.
Yeah, I got
Got
3
it.
kills that time.
I got
so it
2.
wasn't too bad.
3? Damn, dude.
Okay, so that was good. So we just
Okay.
have to make sure you don't run off alone. Stay together. That was good what we did. We did have people coming from above, so maybe next time we could build like
Yeah.
a barrier on our head or something. Next time we have to grab the iron
Yeah.
blocks at mid as well. I forgot
Yeah.
about that.
Because we were running low on iron.
Yeah, that's it. If I had pants
Yeah.
there, I think I would have survived longer. But that was good. That was fine.
Yeah.
All right.
I feel like we also need some wood so that we can make more.
Oh yeah, we
things
can
if
mine this wood.
Also,
yeah.
fruit
Yeah.
is
I'm gonna
going
go for that
mid
chest I
alone,
went for last time a little easy quicker.
I guess, because that's that. I think he's yellow
Oh, this,
team, and
this
yeah,
wood
he
doesn't
is.
drop.
Yeah.
I'll bridge.
Did anybody grab anything down there?
No,
I'm
can
grabbing
someone grab that chest
Okay,
at the
you-
bottom,
Yeah, I'll get it.
and then come up the little things with me?
Oh.
Yeah.
There's an iron
okay,
block
I could
there.
take a 1v1 right now
No.
against
Yeah,
this.
go
No,
on
he's
that.
running. Okay. It was a hermit, so I was really considering it, but no, I won't do it.
Can you spec me? Like, watch me?
Yeah, I am. Nobody's focusing you.
Okay, guys,
get
come up
that,
here.
Eric?
Come up
Nice.
here.
Eric, come back this way.
I'm just seeing if there's anything over here.
Yeah, there's just a team not too far from you. So I
Okay.
don't want you to get caught out.
Yeah.
What happened to that iron block? Okay, green is right there. Avoid. Run. No,
Yep,
no,
yep,
no.
yep, yep.
Come up this water tower.
I'm coming.
They're gonna push us. They're gonna push
Yeah,
us.
they are.
No.
No,
I
we
got
have to come up
plans.
this tower. Go up the tower. TNT. Break the glass,
Yeah.
Michael.
Oh.
Break the glass.
Yeah, I am. Sorry.
Okay, follow me.
These guys are wasting everything they got on us here.
Here, come up the water.
Yeah. But
Have
Aaron
one-
is still behind us though. Aaron might get
Yeah,
cut out.
no, I'm getting up.
Okay, come up.
Oh, nice.
I just
Oh, I
dinged
almost
someone.
got
Dave, did you get the
CPK there.
diamond boots this time?
I've got 1 diamond.
No,
Is
the
there
both
anything
chests
above
were
us?
taken from our left and right immediately.
Who wants golden apples? Here's a healing potion.
I made pants.
Can I have one?
and
I made
then-
pants. Can I have one golden apple?
There's nothing above us. By
Here's a
the
golden
way.
apple, Hannah.
Thanks.
Nice. Maybe we should get up
Appreciate
above. That team was fishing rotting us earlier. Does anyone
Yeah.
have a rod actually? I don't.
You take a rod.
don't.
Was
Dave?
there not a chest here?
I have a
Take a-
diamond. Does someone
take
need
a
it?
rod.
Oh.
I
Here's
guess
a
let's go up.
diamond.
Everyone go up. Everyone go
Also,
up.
if anyone needs an iron sword, I have 2 extra iron.
We need an escape plan from this though. This is like kind of sussy.
Yeah.
I guess
Oh,
we can
wait,
fishing
Becky just
rod.
fell so... No, I missed. Oh my god, look how high I just sent Becky. Oh,
Yeah.
Sorry.
nice.
Nice.
Wait, we can pull items with a fishing rod, by the way.
I don't.
Oh, wait,
I
it's
don't-
like buggy, though.
I don't have any.
Oh, well.
I don't have any.
What?
Oh, there's a diamond
arrows or
sword down
anything.
there.
You need arrows? Who needs arrows? I've got
Me.
9.
I did. Thank you so much.
They're running.
I'm trying to fishing rod this diamond sword
We
that's
gotta
down
move
there.
in. Okay, so let's go back down. Follow me back down this way,
Yeah.
and then we're
Dang
gonna
it.
move in.
Okay.
Let's go down.
Yeah. Oh, fruit berries to our left there. Be careful. Okay.
I think right here is good for now.
The only thing is, like, right above us there's an area,
Let's
too.
just start spamming blocks and like above
I think
us
our
as
escape
well.
plan, if we get jumped, is we should go down
Yeah,
a level.
we're gonna go down if we
Let
get
me know
jumped.
if you guys need help. I've got a splash potion of healing.
Yeah, make a little box above us too, so we don't get yoinked.
We have lime to our right here.
We're gonna jump down. Honestly, I think we should.
I think that might be the move. I wonder if I could creeper them.
You can. That was
Nice. That didn't really do much damage, though, unfortunately.
mine. Okay.
There's 4 of them alive, but I only see 2, so I'm
Yeah, we've
afraid
got
like some of them are
slime right there
hiding,
above us.
waiting for us.
Oh,
to,
they're
like...
they're about to fight potentially.
Oh, true.
Dave, if you have TNT or anything.
I have a creeper though.
I've got TNT.
Oh, border,
I'm just hearing-
border,
oh,
border.
Someone take this TNT.
Oh,
Give me.
thank you.
Let Place it there. Great job. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to jump down.
Yeah, on their island.
Oh,
Creeper!
What happened?
Got
I don't even know where
solidarity.
that came from. Oh, they were above us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just have to jump
Got another?
in. Creeper was right there.
Yeah.
Let's start
Okay,
focusing
having
getting mid.
altitude is like such a good thing on this
Yeah.
Let's
map.
be under
Yeah.
mid. There's someone right here, by the way.
Yeah, the ants just it's almost killed our whole team.
I died.
Got
Scott's,
Oh,
Dave,
God.
there's a TNT above you, Dave. Exploding now.
Yeah,
Sorry.
there's nothing I can do
There's
there.
nothing you can do.
Okay, the vertical
Oh, we got second.
place.
yeah, we got
damn.
second in that.
I got 2 more
somehow.
kills there though, or 3 more kills. I'm up to 6.
Damn, Dave.
job.
Jeez.
So
okay,
we did
so
fine.
altitude is really important
Should we try and stay at the top then?
Yeah, maybe
I
bridge
think
out.
so.
because the top border like reaches the top of those water towers pretty close to the end of the game, so we could be up there for a long time.
Okay, so someone. Okay, so I'm not getting both of any of those chests. You guys just like
I'll get them.
get those chests, and I'm gonna bridge mid,
Yeah, I'm coming with you again.
and then someone get that chest at the very bottom if possible.
Mhm.
You see
That's
that?
my job.
Got you. Michael, can you grab that iron at the very top of this block right here?
Okay, it's the health.
Got it.
Someone's shooting me, maybe.
Oh,
Don't take that
enemy
fight.
team right
Don't take
there.
that fight.
Yeah.
Just run.
Oh crap.
I'm gonna steal someone else's iron block really quick,
Yeah.
and then. Why can't I can only hold 1 iron block? I guess. My bad. Okay, let's just go up this tower. Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you only hold 1 iron block?
I don't.
No,
see why
I got
that would be
2.
a thing.
Oh, maybe you took mine.
I have 1.
Here, everyone come up. Everyone
mine-
come up. Block it
Hello.
off. Okay, Dave, here's a crossbow and fishing rod. I want to make some.
Here's an iron block.
All
All
right,
right, here's some
anyone have boots?
snowballs.
Thank you.
I
Apple.
did not get.
I mainly
Apple.
need
again. Here's
Version.
iron
Can I
Can I
stuff for
have
everyone.
that gap? Oh no! Oh, can Dave have that?
There's,
Have
there's
that gap?
2 gapples.
I have a gap on me.
Okay.
I don't have a gap.
So, okay.
Oh, Cub fans just run around middle, but
If anyone has arrows, I'll
here.
take them.
Dave,
I have-
Dave, come here. Dave, come here. Take
Oh,
these
on the left,
boots,
yeah.
and then Michael, take these pants,
That's perfect. Oh,
and then
Michael,
Eric,
take
take
these.
all these extra iron.
you.
I'm going to the roof here.
perfect.
I'm not even sure what I can make with these, but I can make an iron sword if we have any wood. But we don't have wood.
Shoot, I don't know why.
Did nobody grab sticks?
Sorry, I forgot. I forgot.
Oh, I have 6. Sorry, guys. I'm up above. I'm dropping them down from above.
They're right there, Eric. Just guys, make sure you don't get a grief with fishing rod.
There's pink parrots to our
Yeah.
left.
I feel like you
Sorry,
can-
Etho. Oh, he lived. We can totally get these guys.
How dare you steal?
I think
Pink
pink might be
parrots.
the move for some kills.
someone's
Oh, be
shooting at
careful.
me.
Don't stand too close to the
A
edge.
shot Etho.
Don't
Behind you,
shot.
behind there. It's Pete. It's just
Yeah.
getting shots up. They only have so many arrows. I don't know how many they're going to waste on that.
Hannah less than
All right,
3.
I've got 1 more arrow. 16.
Don't get
snowballs.
shot. Don't get shot.
Yeah.
They're snowballing you, Loki.
You trying to fish him?
They're shooting you again.
All right, I'm coming up with you guys now.
Wait, Etho might fall?
I feel bad. We're bullying.
Yeah, we
Shot
are.
mythical sausage.
Let's go
The
down.
ball is coming in.
Let's go
so
down.
we can just build like sky bridge.
Oh, you wanna go
I
down?
think, yeah. That's too high. That's too high. That's gonna
Okay,
top
watch out,
border
snowballs
you.
to your left. I'm
Yeah,
only worried about
jump-
the
jump
team to
down
our
here.
right that's above us that could fishing rod
Remember
us
to
now.
eat.
Here. Also, if
I
I
guess
don't know
you're
if you have
right.
a
I
gap.
guess you're
but-
right.
Oh, pink is getting jumped.
Yeah.
Let's just speed bridge to mid. Follow me.
Oh, above us, above us. Oh, flip got launched. Watch out, we place a TNT.
Here, come mid, right here.
Got. Hit a
This is the
gap.
place to be.
Damn, we are getting shot though.
No, red team just jumped down from their base.
Let's,
Oh,
yeah,
big.
let's take cover. Oh, I guess let's.
Sorry, I saw some low people.
You go down.
Yeah, we went
Yeah.
down. Try and stay with us. We're like
crap.
properly fighting.
Yeah.
Dave,
Oh,
get in
I'm
zone.
stuck in this.
I
Oh,
just
I'm
picked up
dead.
2
I'm
gaps
gonna
with
be
a diamond
dead.
sword. Oh, crap. Nope.
Be sure to eat. Be sure to eat.
Thank you.
Got you with a health pot.
I'm bridging
Got
above
Jojo?
these people.
Oh, I'm so
God,
done. I'm so
God.
done.
Can we
We're good.
watch
We're good.
kill that creeper, please?
He's aggroed on someone else.
Got Pete.
Right below you, if anyone has TNT, drop it
There's
on the
an-
green.
Oh God! Oh!
No, I could have got a kill there.
Sorry.
I have 10 kills. I
don't
died.
know. I have
Oh,
6
I killed
kills.
Ant Venom apparently.
This map feels like very close quarters. but it's like the same
Yeah.
size. There's just too much going on.
I don't know what I could have done better. I don't know.
It's okay. We're in second.
Honestly, my brain just shuts off and I just start picking people up.
Yeah, we got
Yeah.
second. We did great.
Hell
Hell
yeah.
I wonder what I got in division. I
I
had 10.
got 6. I think you probably got most. I think you got top.
But we didn't, since we didn't win, there's probably some people who got past me individually.
Who's
winning
yellow?
points.
False Fruit, Gumi, and Zeus.
Oh, we got 5th overall. It's not too bad. First game too, by the way, so we're chilling. Oh, lol, me?
Yeah, let's go, Dave.
Wait, how did we get 5th overall?
I don't know who won I wasn't paying attention who won each round. It might have just been like spread out wins.
Ah.
They've got.
Well, that's the
Personal
round. That
best.
was that round.
Yeah, we're second overall. Let's go.
Nice.
Oh. Oh, cool.
I got 6 kills.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I wish I could have survived longer. I was just like, I'm an
How do you
idiot.
see how many kills you got? Oh, I got
You
two.
know the real reason I jumped down there was because I saw Feinberg stuck in a
Low.
cobweb
Yeah.
on 1 hit.
I know.
And he
I
had a
saw
diamond
that
sword in
too.
his hand, so I was like, give
Like,
me
I was
that, and then he
looking
had 2
around and
golden
suddenly
apples
everyone
too.
was like, all the team was gone. I was like, wait, you guys went down? I thought we were staying up this round.
Yeah.
I got,
like,
and then I got
that's
stuck
valid.
in the border, and I was just like, I had 3 gaps,
Yeah.
and I was just chugging gaps, and I killed like JoJo and Pete as well.
Hell yeah.
We gotta find the elevator. I think there's I hope there's an elevator, unless the bits that there's not an elevator this time.
Where elevator? How shall I safely ascend?
What's an elevator?
Stop.
We have to find it. We have to find the
I don't like
elevator.
that joke. I don't like what's an elevator. They can't gaslight us. We've been playing for 4 seasons.
I've been here since episode 1.
I've been here longer than some Knox Group people. Listen.
We can't get in the bathrooms either. Why would you use an elevator? There's like 1 floor.
No, I'm 4 floors up.
Yeah, what was the point of the elevator? I really didn't feel that useful. All it ever did was fall. I mean, it is a bit of a safety hazard when you think about it. I actually think that wasn't terrible first game. I mean, obviously
no,
we
I
got
mean, not
second.
terrible. That was
Could've been later,
good.
but-
We came second place.
Yeah. But I mean, for that game to be our first game.
Yeah.
Oh wait, that means for right now, I'm 3rd individual overall, I think.
Nice.
Where the hell is this elevator, dude?
I need the elevator.
I'm pissed. Is it in the stands? Is it with the fans?
The real elevator was the friends we made along the way.
No, it's not. That's a cop out. Any story that ends with a moral is a bad story.
If you learn something, no, you didn't.
Yeah, I like violence. Meaningless violence.
I still think we should go for Railroad Rush. We still want those games early. But hey, having a good game first maybe is not bad. You know, the morale is high. We're
Yeah,
slaying.
that's true.
Sometimes it sucks to play the first game, like your worst game first, because you start off on such a.
That is also
Bad note.
true.
Go rush.
Unless you think we should vote for something else.
Oh,
I'm feeling Railroad Rush.
I'm giving it a bit
Yeah.
so my chicken doesn't have time to wander away.
Same.
I threw
I'll
it.
wait
If you
for
throw it
the
at the
last 5
sign, it'll
seconds.
drop down.
There's 2
Oh,
dunks.
and everyone, these chickens are allergic to Railroad Rush, bro.
They suck.
Is that like
Oh.
a one that's sticky?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
sticky. But the thing is, it will wear off soon. Oh wait, no, it won't. Yeah, it's gonna be Rocket
no,
Sleeve.
it looks like it's gonna be
Might
Rocket
not.
Sleeve
No,
Rush.
it's gonna be
Oh,
gold. It's gonna be gold.
Might be
Gold.
Sands of Time.
No, not Sands.
I
Not
hope
now.
it stands. Dude, if it stands, that's great.
Vote tie.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna get. Oh, a 3-way tie.
Rocket
Oh.
Spleef Rush.
Okay.
I've never seen a
Happy
3-way
about
tie
that
actually.
works.
Fuck. Okay. Kills are.
We got this.
If you get 5 kills, you get as much as you get being in first place. So just if you want to kill people, but don't focus on it if you're not used to it. Like, don't be.
Yeah, I'm
Don't-
gonna focus
No, I
on
was-
trying
I
to
was
stay
playing
Just
alive.
try
up
and
this morning.
survive. Yeah, just try and survive.
I won a bunch this morning, even though I didn't win any when we were practicing. So
Nice.
I'm ready.
Mission objective: survive.
Maybe just pay attention to those bars. Like, I feel like there'll be some people who aren't used to the durability. Like, I don't know.
You might be
I'm
able
sure
to get some
people
kills.
probably have
practice
speed,
like
but-
we have.
Yeah. Because also, like, if you can hit someone like while they're landing, it's happened to me multiple times where I just get hit and like it sends me on like a violently fast trajectory straight down, and I just have no time to even like.
If you see someone going into land, just torpedo them.
I don't know how to like recreate it, but I'm pretty sure if you can like hit someone right from behind as they're falling.
I'll just say because I just remembered it, and which means I forgot it for a second. Remember the durability of the elytra.
Michael, just so try and land consistently.
New in the viewers, elytras now have health bars longer in the air; they go down. So
and if it goes to 0, it literally just stops and you plummet.
And if you get hit by things, then that reduces your elytra's durability.
Oh, I totally forgot we have crowns, Anna.
Do we?
Because we won last MCC.
Nice.
We get it in this game.
Man, these guys are getting
recharging.
They are getting. I can't do this.
You can do it. You can do it.
I believe in you.
I can't do the big jump.
Remember, hitting people like stuns them too. If you get a physical punch off.
Oh, it moved.
Don't forget about your updrafts. You have 2.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll count down to those.
I actually am gonna have to use one.
Okay.
I was too far away from where it's starting.
Oh, got hit in the face. Oh, got hit in the face.
Is it shoot or is it jump and then shoot, or is it jump or shoot and then jump?
Shoot and then jump.
Work. So shoot then jump is.
Oh, it's going back the way we just came.
Yeah. Oh, thank God that's lower.
I'm dead.
I might have just got a kill. Yes.
Nice. You did. You got Gucky.
Sorry, Gucky. I played aggro on Gucky. I just broke someone else's elytra. I got another kill. Oh wait, screw that. I'm just killing everyone.
Let's go, Dave.
I don't know how I saved that. No, I'm out. Well, I guess I'll just shoot people while I'm falling.
We're in first place at the moment, guys.
Probably do have to deafen. I just get distracted.
Solidarity.
Locked in. Whatever you need to do. Updraft in 10 seconds.
Mine are already gone.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, they're gone.
Hey, we are number
Difficulty
1 right now,
changed
though,
to
so
90% damage.
Definitely.
Oh, start shooting people then.
Yeah,
you can get them off.
Yeah, you're.
Oh, I might have just got another kill. No, that.
Oh
nice.
my elytra ran out. I didn't realize it ran out that quickly.
It's okay.
That was embarrassing.
Oh, you're good. You survived so long.
I did good. 14.
You got it, Dave. You got it. Oh my God!
You see that?
That was insane,
dude.
I was laying like under the block, like in a one, but oh, that was so close.
He flew into the block and went right under it.
Oh my God.
That was so scary.
Dave, you're the last one left. Complete the mission.
On it, boss.
Nice.
Next island's really small.
It's pretty small.
Oh, I got it there.
Great hit.
Good kill.
Yeah, you got back, come on.
Get the big jump.
Nice.
You are Purple's team worst enemy.
There's a few spots to land, not a lot.
Yeah.
Oh no!
No.
That was well played. I knew when I was landing there, I had nowhere else to land.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That was good.
Who's that? Who's the last one left?
Scott.
Oh my God.
Oh, I know Scott.
No,
whoever's orange is gonna win. Yeah.
Yep. I saw that in the. Oh,
okay.
Man.
I'm gonna mute. Be right back.
Okay, dokie.
All right.
Sorry.
Okay.
Guys, I have to. I have to. In real MCCI, I just mute. Or I don't talk. I don't talk at all. I'm honestly not that fazed by that. So. I do like the ones that move faster. Okay. rough. They bounced for me, kinda. It's not gonna do anything. Well, GG. I got griefed.
Right.
You have
I got
enough
griefed.
No.
24 seconds until updraft.
It's all good.
That was so stupid.
Got air. When you're in the air, maybe just start trying to shoot some people.
Yeah.
I mean, or just focus up.
Yeah. Michael, you got skibbity their toilets. Thanks for the sound advice.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Chat, I'm just worried about my
1.
individual.
I'm up.
Like, that's
90% damage.
Oh yeah, now you might want to hit some people. Be careful flying too far ahead, because then you become the target. Nice shot there.
I didn't know there was a bounty. Wait, what?
A bounty? Oh, I think maybe she was saying like she was getting hit by a ton of people.
Oh crap! No.
okay.
No, you're good. Just look at the horizon. Try to outplace a couple people. Yeah, there you go. Nice.
Damn you, small.
All right,
ants.
I got top 5 last time, and then I got bottom 10 this time. So I get first place next time. I think is the math there.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
These islands get very small.
Yeah, I must have like panicked and messed up because like 3 times in a row I messed up my rocket jump and went like 1 block in the air.
At some point though,
tragic.
you could just parkour this. Like you don't.
You could,
don't
but
No,
then
you,
people would
you
shoot you.
cannot.
Let's go so fast.
Trust me, you cannot.
No elims this time, but I have 3. So.
I'm glad we're doing this game
ants?
second.
Damn, Ant is moving.
Dude, purple's doing so well because last time Scott made it to the end, this time JoJo's making it.
I think this is the final island. Oh, you.
Oh my god, yes,
Yeah.
false, yes.
Let's go.
Damn.
Slay. That was awesome.
Alright. Locking in the spot.
Sorry guys, I don't know. I got griefed. But it's fine, I guess. Okay. I was watching my head. Okay. I'm not focusing on kills. TBH. Dude, I'm just... Okay, it's fine. I don't know.
Giraffes think they're gonna run out.
Yeah, you got 40 seconds on updraft. Ooh.
I feel like I just get shot so much.
I have 1 left still.
Alright, I'll get you the countdown. $20 seconds for updraft.
Oh.
Did I kill Ant? I might have killed Ant
I
up there.
think you did.
I think you
Oh,
did.
he might land on the glass here.
10 seconds.
Damn. I had to use it anyways.
Nice.
Oh, I got the Ant Venom kill. Let's go.
Damn, dude.
Let's go.
That is just teams dropping.
Oh, someone torpedoed you right as you landed
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
You make it.
I believe. I'm starting to believe. Oh, this thing's filled with TNT as well.
Yeah. Oh, I missed.
Nice.
Oh, whoa!
Oh.
Sorry, I don't even know what that.
No.
I think
Okay.
I accidentally, my Elytra wasn't deployed, and then I hit space, and that,
Yeah.
hard to even explain what just happened there.
Fine.
No
Little
worries.
fat finger moment.
Such is life.
No one got the kill on me, though, so.
Yeah.
I had 4 kills this event.
That's insane,
I'm
dude.
going for top frag of this event, I think. We're at 14 right now.
Man, this was not our game. I'm happy we got this out.
Yeah,
of the
no,
way.
Honestly,
yeah.
same.
It's
I thought I
a
did
very
decent,
chaotic, very random game.
No, I should have done better. Like, I just don't. I feel like
I'm
I
so
just kept getting
confused.
griefed by like the same
Yeah.
team over and over. They just kept hitting me, so I don't
I'm
know.
really confused because it says I have 0 kills, but I am almost certain I killed somebody earlier.
Maybe it didn't register or something.
Maybe.
I mean, I was just blindly griefing anyone who
Yeah.
was unfortunate enough to be in front of my blaster.
That's pretty much exactly what I was doing.
I mean, if they were in full, I wasn't even going to bother, but I tried to time it somewhat. Who's going to win here? Shadoon again.
Yup.
Damn.
And Am.
Oh, he's all the way up there. Jesus, I didn't even see that.
I think the last two like sabotaged each other.
Dude, Purple's not gonna like this. He's gonna get griefed. Wow.
Damn. Crazy Shadoon didn't get first.
Viper got 7 kills. Jesus.
Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. Because I got a personal best. I got 422 coins this game, which beats my old record of 250.
Nice.
I love they show those record stuff now.
Yeah, that's really
Yeah,
cool.
that's really cool.
Oh, they were getting kills.
Do you guys have a like a Blue Bats like Discord overlay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got it.
Actually, I think it's in the Blue Bats VC. For some reason, there's a message from Shelby from like a year
Shelby,
ago
yeah.
that I used it and it worked.
I'll
Fair
take
enough.
that.
Shout out Shelby.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I got
Sure,
almost
bubble.
that top 5.
Guys, this is gonna be tragic. That is so fucking tragic.
7% of people
7%.
correctly predicted Purple Panda's winning.
Nice. That's cool.
Ooh, I moved down a little bit. 5th in division.
Ha!
Oh god, I don't even know what my score is. I don't even want to look.
Oh yeah, to all viewers, if you go to mcc.live, you can vote on various things, see the
Oh,
whole game
yeah.
stats, all that.
Yeah,
I wonder if
it's
they'll do
really,
the game
really
poll
neat.
on there soon, or they're gonna still do it on Twitter.
Hmm.
How do you see your individual?
Gotta run over to the
Oh,
police.
okay, that's not terrible. Let's see if I can keep that.
I got 6th individual in Rocket Sweep Rush somehow.
That's really
And
good.
I think
Good.
actually
Right now.
somehow it was just because I was killing people. I don't think placement mattered even that much. Considering I got 35th one round.
Yeah, you're 5th overall, Dave.
Let's go.
I'm going
I think it was really good we got
underneath.
that out early. Like we didn't do too terrible that it's gonna like affect us at all in the long term.
Yeah,
I'm swimming underneath the dome. There's got to be something down here.
under the dome.
Maybe that's where the elevator is. Maybe the elevator's under the dome. I don't think so.
Who knows? What game will we go next? We're still. I think we should still try to get the gold rush game.
Yeah, I
think
want
the name
to
of
get. I want to get that
Yeah.
out.
What is it called? Railroad Rush.
Railroad Rush.
I feel like Gold Rush would have worked too. But
No, Gold Rush is the segment in the game.
In the game, yeah.
oh,
I got a mega egg.
Oh.
Meg.
I think that's a
Uh,
big thing. Just throw. I would wait a little bit.
Yeah, leave it till like the last
move.
5 seconds, and then we can all try to stop the chickens walking around as much.
Everyone wants
people
battle
going
box. That's
Nah,
not.
it's just they're voting too early.
Yeah.
Oh, but Owen is gonna
Owen's
be.
in there.
Why? Why? They're griefing us.
Here, should I throw that now?
Throw it
Yeah,
in.
go for it.
Oh, why did my chicken get stuck in it? Look at the railroad rush sign. My chicken is just chilling inside of it.
Aw. No, the
No,
blue,
blue
chicken.
chicken, come back!
Oh, this chicken's useless.
Oh, mega chicken!
Might.
Ah, thank
Oh
you.
my
Might be
God.
bingo.
So
Oh
he's
wait, no,
punching
it's,
the chicken.
it's absolutely going to be.
Oh, blue chicken, go
railroad.
back. Go back, blue chicken. Oh, wait, the purple chicken just left. It actually might be railroad. Actually, no, it might be battle box. I don't know. How many does the player count for?
I don't know.
Box.
Son of a
All
bitch.
right. We got our PvP too early, but that's okay.
Yep. Battle box.
Oh.
It's fun. It's. I'm not even. That team is like a good battle box team. So why? You just don't
We
get
got
it.
Maybe they don't feel confident. Maybe that's a good thing.
I could understand the games and people not wanting us to get PvP late, and maybe that's a self-centered way of looking, but maybe they
I
don't
think
want
that way all
us.
the
They don't want to
time.
see us win. Because to be honest, like we had PvP as the last 3 games, we win, so people didn't want that to happen. But we still have Meltdown, which Hannah and I went absolutely crazy last time we played Meltdown, so hopefully we can get that later.
Man.
The lightsabers. All right, let me get a better look at this map now. This,
You can't go to the top of the blue.
so you start
Yeah.
at the middle level.
You know, honestly, I think you probably can't even levy to the orange. I don't think levies go that far.
Well, there's a bubbler here which sends you up
Oh,
to
is
the
there?
higher level.
Oh,
But
yeah,
Dave,
but not like
like-
the top level.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
I'm gonna
okay.
start with Scrapper.
I'll be medic. Please let me know when you guys are low on health
I'll run
so I can
crossbow.
come help
I'm
you.
thinking.
Yeah,
I'm
do
thinking I'm
whatever
gonna
you
go
want.
flanker.
Make sure you set up your hot bar when you're in
Who are we playing against first? Do we know?
Cyan.
Yeah. Ants. Yeah. Okay. I won't do the
Ants.
levy strat this time around.
Please
Anyone have some
call out
leather
your
boots
help.
in their hotbar?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
let's do split
I
up
do.
2 and 2 left and
Yeah.
I'll go with you, Hannah.
No way they hit me there. I just lost 4, but it's okay. Be careful, Eric. Back up.
Oh,
You can heal
crap.
us. Heal us. They're gonna push right side. Hit him once. Oh, 3 on our right side.
just shoot. Start nailing shots over there.
Yeah.
Shot killed one.
I hit one. I need heals.
You need heals?
Got one.
well,
Dave, you want to go in? Let's go in.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, they just healed. Hold on.
Poison them, but I need a heal.
Nice.
I got
Elena's
Elena.
one hit.
job.
Nice,
Alright, you need a
guys.
heal?
We got them all. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy peasy.
Sorry,
Well, that was
the,
toxic. I didn't mean to like that.
Squeeze the
the
lemons.
lightsabers are weird. They make me feel weird. Like,
I
Yeah,
think
you just
I was
gotta,
able
like,
to heal
ignore
good
them.
that round.
The textures always throw me off too.
did you use crossbow a lot?
I,
feel like you
actually did.
Okay, good.
What I
good.
do is I hold it out in my offhand. I just keep it on my
Right.
4 slot, and then I
That's
hotkey, quick hit someone, and then crit them, and they're dead.
That is perfect. Yeah, I was just making sure in case you wanted to go the other kit. But that is perfect.
I crossed the map using the little glass bridge in the middle, and it got me
Make
a
sure you
really
choose your
easy
kit
look.
again.
Yep.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very bow map. Very bow.
I don't know why we have the
Be
boots.
careful for a
Wait, what
A
do I
fill.
rush, by the way.
Be careful for a fill. Yeah. Make sure we go 2 and 2 again. Watch
Which
for the
team
fill.
is this? Oh
Fruit.
yeah.
Just watch for the fill. What? Why do I have like? Okay.
we got Fruitberry going to the right
Fruit's
alone.
going right.
No, there's
Oh, they
two right.
levied. Someone levied to top.
Okay, it might have been Fruit.
I think it was. He's gonna jump on us.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
Oh, I accidentally ate my speed instead. Oh.
Bruce coming left.
No
Yeah.
way he hits that over me.
Eric, can you heal Dave? I think.
Is Dave?
I'm only down
Dave's
1.
Not that low.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, we're chilling. Oh, I got hit again. Now I'm low. Jeez. Can I get a heal?
Fruit is here.
Yep.
We are gonna get like
Yeah.
flanked over here.
Wanked.
Oh, okay. I'm dead.
Oh crap! How did that happen?
Oh, I'm
Doom
getting just
shot me.
destroyed. I haven't got a hit off.
This,
Hey, Gumi.
Oh, I'm low.
I don't want to say this is like a run in, but oh, they're
Run
running
in.
in. They get it.
I'll try and suppress him.
Oh man.
Crap! I'm low. Ah!
Oh,
Like
I
the
killed Fruit too.
lightsabers.
They played. I see. So Fruit got up in the little ledge. I actually said that in the video, and I watched it. So
oh, with the levitation.
Maybe he just waited on his he was like backup almost, and then when it came down to it, he just hard pushed with full health.
Yeah. Levitation can get you in some nut spaces. I just wasn't hitting my shots.
I think the crossbow still. I'll give crossbow another move.
I might have to go that kit then. Maybe. Why do I have to redo my inventory every single time? Sorry.
Yeah.
Levy.
All right, H-bomb going right. And
I shot
two.
that full green
split.
on left.
Oh, one below coming up.
Nice.
Got you, H-bomb.
Nice.
I need heals though.
Here.
Thank you.
I need a heal. I need a heal.
I hit CPK.
Okay.
He's on 4.
I just got bonked.
Oh.
Someone's coming around
I'll
right.
run in with you, Dave.
Oh my god. I have to speed out of here.
Yep.
I'm on 2. I did some good damage. Nice kills.
Nice.
I'm out. I'm out.
Oh.
Oh, that's...
Got him. Don't worry.
Okay, just
Help
kill
the whole
kill.
team? Nice.
Yep.
Woo.
The heals make it, honestly, I love and hate the heal situation because I can't play as aggro as I usually do in Battle Bunks because team heals are pretty good, but
Yeah.
also if it wasn't for Eric healing me, I would have died earlier in so many rounds.
I got you. I got you.
I like my kit. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Medic.
I'm working out. I like this kit.
Green. We're against green.
Who's this?
Watch for a fill.
Yep.
Coming around right.
Up above. There's one up above. Top right. Who can get a good
Where?
shot on us?
Oh,
Top,
crap.
top right.
Up there, yeah.
Heals.
you
Use
are
your heals,
low.
Eric. You're low. Maybe we rush around and just...
Should we rush that?
Oh my god! It was
Yeah,
Fire
3 of
Breath
them are
Man.
staying
He's
in
up
spawn.
there. How did he get up there?
Got one.
Do you want to go in on that? I have a
Yeah,
potion.
I already killed one of them. There's one.
Fire Breath Man getting it. He's right behind you, Michael.
Oh, he's right behind me? Oh,
Oh no, he's going around.
Yeah, he's going into your room.
I got him with a
He's
crossbow
like
shot.
half. He's half.
Oh, they're going mid, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, Fire Breath Man's in mid. Fire
Got
Mid
him.
Man.
Alright.
Okay, sorry.
Smallest
I
beam's
didn't-
on point.
Oh, he
You
fell.
knocked him off.
Another
He's
one,
still
another one.
alive, though.
Incoming.
Behind you,
Michael,
Michael!
Don't spam click. Nice.
Nice. Smallish on point.
I just put
Oh,
the mark in.
damn!
One, did I get it?
2.
Ah!
Damn!
I tried to
Oh,
put one
my
more
one
block
block.
in just in case. Like,
Dude, the thing is what Joel did, actually, I don't even know if it was intentional. He fell down. I went to chase him, but then he like ran away. So I just went to help at mid because I wanted to fill it.
There's an area underneath
yeah,
the
there
middle
is.
area where you
I'm
can
starting
run.
to
I've not
realize
seen
how
that.
smart that is, actually. Man.
He went up the water elevator like on the side and went all the way back up top, then jumped back down, and it got me. That's tough.
Everyone's lagging.
Oh, I'm not.
I'm not
I
lagging.
killed Joel there. I would have got a freaking ace.
Yeah, it was really close. That was really, really close.
Should we be relogging or? I haven't been
I'm
lagging.
Is it
fine.
just people in the UK?
Oh yeah.
No chance.
I guess take this time to familiarize yourself more with the map.
Yeah.
I thought so. H-bomb tried something on us where there's like a drop down in the front, and then he ran straight through the middle under. Even though I caught him do it, I wonder if we could. Only problem is the name tags, like they see you. But maybe if I time it right, you can just like flank from below.
You can try. If there's not a lot of people in their spawn. Oh.
Trying to see. Part of me wonders, like, you can get up on top of those little hallways, probably with the levee, like on the right and left. And there's like a little lip. Like, I wonder if we had someone go up here with a levee and just.
I mean, that's where if you're talking about where Fire Breath Man was last time, he went
No, he was
all
on
the
top
way
of the
up on
bridge,
top of like the
right?
middle thing in the middle.
Yeah, no, but I'm talking about in like each one of the corners. There's like the
Oh,
little
okay.
hallways, and there's also a roof you could get on that also has a little bit of cover. Like, I wonder if getting up there would be a strat.
I mean, altitude makes it hard for people to get you because you can just stand back from the edge and it'll be fine.
Yeah, that's true. We'll see. I think I'm doing all right.
Someone in my chat says we're having trouble when people go up top. So, I mean, do we want to?
Yeah, I don't know if I blame
up there.
I mean,
maybe it didn't feel like that worked for them. I think it just had a last minute
really
awkward
pinned us down for a bit. It was only when he came down that we got more autonomy over where we could be in the map.
The only thing is, if they're up top, I mean, a good strat might just be to rush mid because they don't really have an angle at mid from up top.
Oh, true.
Might
Pressure them.
go levy and just go to the top.
Yeah, go to the top or like these corners on the side. I think.
Yeah, and there's no full damage, so we don't need to worry about that.
Yeah, you can even jump from that and get on top of one of these pillars.
Can I make it to the little top of the orange?
There are 8 water columns that take you up to the main fighting floor.
Can I make it up here, chat?
Remember to grab your
Chat,
kits.
is this real?
Oh, I can't grab a kit. Oh, now I can. Okay, just bugged out.
Can I make it up there?
To where?
Should I do it at the very beginning? Yeah, just I would focus on healing Dave when he gets slow too.
Alright, who are we going against?
We're on pink team right now.
I'm sorry, Etho, I have to do this to you. This is a long start.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they're just making sure everyone's situated again.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Situated.
I like organize my inventory in the pre-lobby and then it gets reset.
I'm at top.
You're on right side.
They're all coming right.
Hit Ether once. Yo, use your heals.
Should I jump down?
Got one.
I got Etho.
Impulse is really
That's
low.
Nice.
Got 3. That's all of them.
Nice.
Right? Cool beans.
I don't like playing that
Lovely,
kicks.
Well, that was not a good team to try it out on, to be
There's
fair.
a reason they're in last place. Oh, I'm
Peace and love.
sorry, guys.
Man, that really
felt mean. We're in first place.
I
but
gotta
we're
say,
not first
I
place.
respect that they didn't even go for a wool rush. They just went in for the kill.
Yeah.
I don't think
respect
maybe
that.
they don't know that wall rushing is a strength.
No, and I got like hit like several times, and I thought I was low, and I looked down, I'm down 1 heart. So I'm pretty sure I was getting spam
Well,
clicked or
I
something.
did splash heals in the middle of us a
Oh,
few
that's what
times, so.
Damn.
Okay.
How many
I'll
rounds
try.
we got left? Oh, we got 4 more.
I'll try. Okay.
I'm locked in.
Nice.
Who we
Part of me
going against
wonders
this
if I should go
time?
scrapper and get the
This
healer.
is purple team.
If you
Major
want.
Pokemon, Gucky, Jojo.
I've been landing these crossbow shots though.
If you're landing
I don't
them,
know.
you do you. Okay, I'm gonna go to the top again.
One.
Yep.
Oh, try to get a pre-fire on him.
Oh god, a lot of them are left.
Yeah.
Gucky's on 1.
Okay. I don't want to waste my arrows.
No, Gucky's on 1 now.
I need healing. Jesus.
Where are you, Michael? I got
Right
Gucky.
Right behind you. Right behind you.
That person's
I
at
got
full.
Becky.
All right, thank you.
They're running in for mid, I think.
Jojo's here.
I'm coming.
Jojo's here. Do you want to get Jojo?
Oh, they were behind me. They were everywhere.
Nice.
Is there one more or what?
They're in the
I have-
tree.
I have
Nope, I
one
got them
heart.
all, I think.
No.
No? Where are they?
Okay.
Oh,
I
no,
think they're
they're
dead.
They're done.
they all did. Okay, I'm paranoid.
Damn, I just hate that I get no kills up there, but it's fine. I won't be selfish.
I mean, it makes them panic a little bit.
What
if
the
you-
hell? Oh,
even
I
if
thought
you're up
okay.
there.
I thought there was a 3-way tie for a second.
It's really close. We're doing well.
Okay.
For a second, there was a 3-way tie for first. I was so
Really?
confused.
Damn.
Yeah. It was
So-
14-10.
Guys,
That's
when
just
I'm
how
up
good
there,
we are.
I want you to like waste all your bow shots and shoot them. And because they're really distracted on me, I'm gonna tell you like who's low.
Honestly, though, that works so well because I rushed in for the sword fight and they didn't see me push up the right side at all.
All
And I
right,
got
going
like
against
3
Aquila,
kills.
If you might
Captain
even be able to
Sparkles,
go
Mr.
down.
Sausage, Pete,
Go up.
Through.
and
Oh,
Edwin.
wait, yeah, you go up first. Draw attention, then I drop down. That could be the move.
Yeah, because getting up there makes people go, we can't
run.
get there.
Yeah,
I'm
and you
gonna
guys,
run
Michael and
scrapper
Eric,
then.
just shoot them, and I'll tell you who's
Yeah,
low.
that's what I've been doing.
You're goated. Oh, I accidentally went crossbow kit. Well, I guess I'm not going up there. I just
I'm
said
gonna
it.
try to kill
I just didn't
Captain
choose my
Oh, they're
kit.
jumping down? Are they going for mid? No, they're going
They're
around
coming
right
up
side.
right, bubbler.
Okay. No way, he got a quick shot for 4 hearts there.
Why do we have to choose our kit every
Sausages.
time?
Knocked him back down. Got him.
Dave, you're in like 3v1.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you though.
Got one. I killed 2 of them. I'm sorry, they just were there. You guys got it.
Come here, Captain Sparkles.
Be careful behind
Yeah,
you.
you got it.
You guys
Pizza,
gotta get
pizza.
Pete.
Guys,
You
he's
gotta-
in
no,
now. He's in that special room right
Guys,
there.
both push
Guys,
Pete.
you have
Both
to push
push
him.
Pete.
You
Where
have to
is he?
push him. He's right there.
Actually, go for mid,
He's right
maybe.
there.
No, it's fine.
You guys have to
Eric,
fight
be
together.
careful.
I thought you guys were with me.
Oh my god.
LG.
Wait, we all died?
Yeah, I like fell down fighting someone, and then when I went up the water elevator, they like flanked all the way around, and I just popped
Yeah.
up in the middle of 3 of them.
Can you call out when you die, please? Otherwise,
Oh, sorry.
I don't know how many team members are still up. Especially as a medic, that's pretty important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. So I didn't get to use my my health potions much at all that round.
Yeah, they played an interesting aggro strat there. That happened to barely work out for them.
Dark Eyebrows, Shadoon, Solidarity, Owen.
Yeah,
Juice.
good team. Strat-wise, for sure.
Sorry.
2 going right. Or at least
I'm fighting.
be careful, Eric. They have an angle on you.
Got Owen. He went to the very top, but I'm at
Nice.
1.
They are to our left.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
I just keep pump faking them. Waste your arrows more.
Oh, I died.
Oh. Okay, 3 of them on me.
Where
in
are
the
they?
room.
Shadoon's on me. Kill me.
Okay,
Got
Shadoon is
solidarity.
at
Nice.
Oh shit.
6.
Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave.
I'm letting him panic. I'm not even shooting back right now.
Yeah.
You guys are just
You got
deadlocking.
20 seconds remaining.
Yeah.
Shadoon is running away.
Yeah, he's running to their spawn. He's on point.
Oh,
Oh,
Speed
good
it on you.
place.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
just run. Oh wait, he broke it.
Oh.
Oh, damn.
You're fine.
He's nuts.
That crouch.
I should have jumped
Just a
down.
taunt. That was good though.
Please communicate your health to me. I didn't get to use my health potions much that round either.
Okay.
Sometimes though, it goes from full to empty in like 2
Yeah.
seconds.
It's,
But yeah, I'll try better.
Like
What's
even
this?
if you're at like 5 hearts, because these don't heal a lot. They only do like
I'm running back
two,
crossbow here.
2 hearts or something.
okay.
Or 2 to 4 hearts. So it's not that much.
Wait, what team is this? I wasn't paying attention. Oh, it's red team. 1 on top, 3 left. Oh my god, I'm low. I got
Combo
shot.
them,
Eric, I
killed
need
them.
heals. Oh, nice. Eric, heals behind.
You need
Eric?
heals?
Yep.
Right
They're
behind you, right
distracted
behind
by me. You guys have to shoot them. You guys have to shoot them.
Sorry.
Oh, they're right here. Someone's here.
Yeah.
Someone's there? In the room?
Yeah, they're in the little
Nice.
side room,
Out.
left
I need
room.
heals.
Oh, I'm dead.
That was Feinberg on.
Oh, it's Kara. Got
Feinberg
her.
was on full. I hit him like 3
Oh,
times.
wait. Oh my god, what just happened?
That
Feinberg's
heals are
alone in the
crazy.
room.
He was on half. Okay, he's on 0.5. Feinberg. I
don't
doubt they
even
have any
know
more
if I'm
heals.
getting hits. I'm just.
Okay, Chaos is 1 hit. Nice.
You
He's
got
out.
it,
Now
you
he's
got
on
it.
0.5.
You got it.
Where's
Nice.
Good
Fine?
job.
And Feinberg is in there. He's on 2. Be careful. He's going to keep
Oh,
playing
you're
that
really
game.
low.
You have 10 seconds. You might want to
You
just run
might
and try to
just
get it.
go for the. Yeah,
Just get
go,
it, just get it, just go mid.
Nice. Nice.
Nice.
He's going to go for it. He's going to go for it. He
Oh,
filled
no.
it. Kill him. Oh, no, they went
What
played.
in the world?
Sorry.
Damn.
Well played.
Whoa.
Not much you can do there.
That was
tried.
wild.
No, you
Yeah,
did
that
great.
was crazy.
Damn, I had 16 kills.
16? Jesus.
I got 5. It's not good though. Man, I gotta get better. at that.
Feinberg alone got more points than the bottom 2 teams combined.
There's no way that's a coin
Jesus.
record unless they restructured it. Actually, no, I guess not. Unless they like flawless, which maybe they did.
Oh, I
We get some
fired most
individual-
arrows.
It's hard to learn the new maps.
Oh. Wait, there's no way I didn't
Thank
get
you,
top 5.
Emma.
That's crazy. How many
You
coins
got
did I have?
15 kills and you weren't top
I had
5.
16 kills.
That's
Huh.
crazy.
Wait, what was my final coins? Does it say?
6%.
I got 400. So did I get 6th and just got snubbed from top 5 again?
Did you?
I think so.
Oh.
Oh, move me up though. We're chilling. I mean, unfortunate we got that game so early, but what are you gonna do?
Okay.
Still very winnable. That is the most kills I've ever got where I'm not top 5.
How many did you get?
16.
16?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, babe. How are you not in the top 5? That's
I guess.
absurd.
I don't know where to see it. Oh, I got 400 coins, and 5th place was 405.
Oh my
Jeez.
god. 5
Oh,
points
Lord.
off.
Yeah, and I was also in Rocket Super Rush.
Okay.
Oof.
Okay. I think they should start showing the top 6.
Yeah. Oh man. I want to try to get the Gold Rush game. A real
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, I
No
know.
one seems to want to do it.
How much for that? Oh my god. Okay, we have Meltdown still. At the end of the day, we did get 5th in Battle Box, so
Frizzle,
it's not
thank you
like
for
we
the 10
absolutely
month.
lost much by having
Thank
it
you.
played this early. So
Michael and Sands, I need to make sure you are timing your hits and you don't spam click because it
I
does
know,
like
I'm
0
bad at that.
damage.
I'm bad
I'm not
at-
joking. It does 0. Like point, not even
When,
half a
when I'm
heart.
fighting mobs, I'm not spamming that much. When I'm like fighting players, I get all panicky.
Yeah, I do a bit of the same.
You just have to time.
I don't PvP like at all other than MCC.
yeah, I'd be like that.
Oh, I've got the dunk. Who should I dunk?
Ooh.
Whoever's in first.
Whoever's in first, maybe. Maybe orange or green, actually.
Who wouldn't
red.
vote our way? Orange screwed us over from playing Battle
Well,
Box
get
that time.
We're gonna
whoever
I'd
dunk
you
say
want.
orange. Yeah. Because they're the reason we've even played Battle Box that early. Why is my chicken covered in hearts?
I don't know.
Because he's gonna breed.
I have a super loving and endearing chicken.
Hey, bro.
We might get tug toss because these chickens love running around.
Chicken toss
no.
is fine.
I like tug toss. I'm just good at it. Well, now that I said that, I'm gonna do bad, but
No, you're good.
I hate saying if I'm good at something because I jinx myself.
Damn.
I
That's
think we need to get to
unfortunate.
the other side and whack a fan.
Yeah.
I get to punch people. Let's go.
Tug toss, tug toss.
I feel like they have put something like that tastes bad in the railroad one, so it's played last. The chickens
Yeah.
don't wanna, they don't
Yeah,
wanna sit over
these
there.
chickens are preying on our downfall.
They hate it.
Watch, it's gonna be the one game skipped. It's gonna be that game.
Oh my god, imagine. No.
After voting for it every single
So I don't have
round.
to let go of my
Okay,
trident, right?
gotta lock in.
I think the trident auto, like, pulls you.
Yeah, they have the updated trident,
Was that
so it's like not vanilla.
oh, yeah.
Well,
It's not.
I guess updated is not,
not
true.
vanilla.
They changed it like 2 years ago, but yeah.
Are you guys getting the cards right now?
Yeah.
Okay. I heard people punching, so I was confused.
Ant Frost left the game. Good. I don't want him in this tug toss.
Okay.
Oh, it's starting with this one.
I'm
All
going
right, where's fruit?
left mid.
I don't even see that. Wait, I'm still on the cards. The how to play.
Oh, the card just
Oh.
ended for me. Oh,
Whoa.
Oh,
they're
okay.
restarting, I think, because it seemed like
Okay,
some
so
people crashed
apparently
or
it was
something.
not just me.
I guess so.
Wait, where are we at? Oh, this isn't the game. That confused
Yeah,
me.
no,
I
they
was like,
just-
Yeah.
I was like, wait a minute.
Run, get that! They built the whole
Whack the fan. Whack the fan.
It's just that we made an admin oopsie. And they just accidentally end the game.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Remember what they took from you.
The wrong command.
Elevator.
Wrong command was typed.
MCC fell off.
Oh, whoa, I haven't seen these before.
The title cards? Yeah, that's new.
Dream guest on my podcast?
bit, 'cause we
Why
see
would you
Oh.
say that?
Well, you have to realize
Why
that I have
would
the
you
brain
say
capacity of a squirrel, so.
Why would you say why? Dream guest
He was
on my
like, yeah, these are you.
I
Guys,
feel like that's
so
happened to me like
different.
100 times this past month. The amount of times someone goes, "Oh wow," says something sarcastically, and I'm just like, this goes right through me.
Wow, the sky is blue today.
I was like, yeah. Idiot. This guy.
Fucking moron. Over here, look at this.
dream guest on my podcast? Probably my ex. Okay, I'm gonna go left mid.
Right now, this
Yeah,
is
I'm
confusing. The
gonna
first
follow
map is the
you.
lobby. I thought we got sent back to the lobby again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, where's fruit berries?
Yeah, if you want to follow fruit, you can do that, but I think I'm gonna do good too.
I'll follow you.
Yeah,
guys.
I don't even know. I might take a pause
Pause.
early. We have to wait. Amfrost got DC'd. But sometimes it's worth, especially on the first ledge, like waiting a second if you make it there first and letting someone speed bridge, because
letting someone
the
bridge
odds
rather
of getting
than fight
punched
you
are
for
so
it.
high.
So Eric, if you're behind me, I want you to like when you're behind me, place like 3 blocks straight up on our bridge
Yeah.
behind us. You know?
Slow down the people behind.
Yeah.
I understand.
And it'll make sure I don't get punched.
All this
I wonder,
money's
like,
gonna go
with the
right out the
ladders-
window the moment it starts, but we can
You
try.
could do something.
No, you're good.
I'm not gonna try anything fancy this time.
Not even footwork? Not even fancy footwork?
Nah,
Okay.
just straight block placing.
Okay, it's starting. It's starting. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything fancy. I'm just going straight. I'm not even going left or right.
He's still loading in. It's at oh, he's good. Cool.
Oh,
Go, 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 go!
I was like lagged. Watch out for Ant.
Yep.
Keep following me. Place blocks
Yep.
behind
Oh my
us.
god.
Place blocks behind us again.
Yeah.
I fell off.
Michael, I'm gonna go very, very high on this one.
Yep. I'm just following you.
Fuck you, Etho! Why are you punching me
There it
here?
is. Make it, make it. You got it.
That was awesome.
I got it.
Nice. Come on, Eric, you got
What
this.
did we get?
Keep going. No, just keep going. You got this. People keep falling. You're good. Just take the path.
I don't even know what I got. I don't even see my
I
name.
haven't
in it.
not
even made it
bad.
over the first
Oh, you-
gap
you
yet.
got-
You're great.
fourth.
You're good.
You're
I'm trying to
good.
be fancy with it.
Nice. Let's straight. If you keep going straight and then go take mid. I would do.
I got 7th.
I got second.
Oh, you whacked. Okay. I thought I was like looking for my name. I was like, where
No,
am
I had the same thing. I could find all our teammates, but not me.
Nice.
Well
Good job,
played.
guys. Sorry I
That was
couldn't.
really good.
Like,
Oh my god, I
Keep
literally
you
like
there, Aaron,
took
I'm
my
sorry.
own route. You can see
Yeah.
these ridiculously
It's
tall
not your
blue
fault I just
block
got
bridges.
punched, like, repeatedly.
aw. Yeah, sometimes you just get punched.
I
But
beat
why are we
Etho,
first
that's all
right
I
now
need.
though? Because 3 of us got top 10.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
And you 2 got top 5. I got 7th, but
Well done, guys.
so we're good. We're in the clear. We just need a team bonus and we'll be big chilling.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Oh, here we go.
this one's the
Oh,
new
I'll
map.
try and-
Fuck. Okay.
I don't even know where to go on this one.
Yeah.
Just follow the water if you can.
I think there's water on these ledges on the left and right. Probably not.
Yeah. Is it auto launch?
Yeah.
Auto
Yeah.
launch.
Oh. My trident just doesn't do what everyone else's trident does.
Yeah.
Still different.
Okay. I'll take that.
Oh my god. That hurts. That's painful.
Oh. Okay. I didn't understand that.
No. I hate tridents.
God, I detest tridents.
I threw.
You're good.
So many people are fall. Oh, I found the end. First.
First, let's go.
See, I can get first when there's no block placing. It's weirdly in the back, up above the ending area. You got it, Hannah? Nice. Okay, you wait. You guys are so close together here. We might be able to get a team bonus. Kind of slaying.
Damn, I did not do good on that.
I think there's one more team bonus.
27th.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh no, fourth full team. Never
Thank
mind.
you. Thank
All
you,
good.
Poison Fairy.
He's still doing really good.
Yeah, I just got.
Dude, I guessed, and I think I took the best path just by pure luck.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's the
maybe.
first time we've ever done this. Like, there's that.
I think
cube floating
I
in
literally
the air
went
that
the
was-
longest way.
There's so many times I missed a ledge barely, and then it cost me like 30 seconds.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I totally went the long way.
I don't like that.
And I went like at the end. I went up the left here and like cut through the
Yeah,
middle, and it worked
yeah.
out. I just get another one.
I don't
Another
even.
we all love tridents.
Love Trident.
Should I be like swimming? I don't. You can't swim in a
No,
one
what
block.
I do,
though.
what I was doing is like this might be bad advice. I don't know. I would pull my elytra before my trident before I'd even land in the water, and then it would let
Yeah.
go right when I was in the water and launch me. Oh, I missed the first jump. I think a lot of people just did.
Same.
Yeah.
I hit
Oh
the
my
wall.
god.
Like I don't know.
Oh, I almost didn't make that. Oh my god, I hit someone. What am I hitting?
Got,
Keep going, guys.
I got fifth place.
Oh, somehow I
You got it, Michael?
survived
You got it?
that.
Nice.
I somehow
Good placement there.
like
Then go straight.
Brother.
Nice, perfect.
No!
No, it's okay. That's
Yes,
rough.
you gotta make the little sprint jump down. That's tough.
I hate tridents so much.
This is the last one. Likely they just did it early, so I think we're out of trident maps. There's still a team bonus on the table. Never mind. Should not say anything. Oh,
That it's
you
okay.
can go back.
You're
You can go
good.
back and trident
Yeah.
across.
Nice.
Nice.
There's one right.
I think some people are not
right.
even gonna finish though.
Good job.
good job.
Nice, nice, nice. We're holding
Oh my
our spot.
god. I'm sorry for holding back the team bonus.
No,
No,
you're
no,
not.
no.
Those aren't my deal.
These are literally the worst ones to get team
Tridents,
bonuses on.
tridents
They're so
suck.
hard.
Like
Yeah, the tridents are
it's-
rough. It's
Also, there's
okay.
like no teamwork in these, so it's like team
It's a
bonuses are
very
kind of just.
individual game.
yeah.
Same tridents are rough.
You did good there, Michael, too. What place did you get, Hannah? I didn't see.
Just
On,
7.
on this
Oh,
one,
yeah.
I got 13.
Oh, hell yeah. I got 5th that time.
Oh, this one's in.
This one I just.
Oh, okay. This one I
I
got a
can-
team bonus last time I played because I jitter bridge up the left side.
That's what I do.
Or maybe I'll just do it up the middle. You guys want to meet me in the
I'm
middle?
gonna-
I'm gonna bridge
I'm-
up to the side.
I'm
Unless you
gonna-
want to speedrun it. I could speedrun this one too.
I'm gonna bridge on the far left.
Okay, actually,
outside.
then I'm just gonna speedrun this. Okay. If lag doesn't want to ruin my life, that'd be great.
Okay, or maybe not because a bunch of people aren't here.
Shoot. Okay, now punch me.
Hi, Ethos Lab behind me. So bye, Ethos Lab.
Oh shoot.
I played kind of safe. Ant was by me, so I had to make sure
I
you didn't knock
fell,
me
but I
off.
clutched. I'm jitter bridging all the way back up.
You got that, Eric? You're really
I got a
Wait.
13th.
Shoot.
Or no, I got
nice,
11th.
Eric. I like that
That was
strat.
my bad game, but I got it.
Oh, that bridge doesn't
You
connect.
can just jump down and follow someone else's.
Oh, true.
What place did I get? I didn't even see. Oh, I got 17th that time. Ugh, I got a like, you know when people spam blocks at the beginning?
Fuck.
Yeah.
Got
It's
like
okay, you're good,
lagged
you're
into
good.
one. You can drop there, all the bridge, and you got it.
I just don't have coordination.
It's okay.
You're good. You're good.
We're a top 3 team still in this game, so
Yeah.
do not worry.
Not helped by
pretty-
me in the slightest.
I'm pretty happy with my ticket toss performance.
Doing great. I mean, no,
I
I
got
think we're
4th,
doing fantastic.
27th, which I was not.
And look
on
how
that
close
one.
is the top 3.
13th and
We can just
11th.
we can
Yeah.
just slam a
Yeah.
good. If I didn't fall there, and just got top 5. That'd been tough, but oh
We
well.
got 2 more games.
I need another first in division here.
One of them
Oh
is.
no! Skizzle
Oh, that
missed
is
it by
messed
a
up.
millisecond.
Was it literally just a
No.
second?
That is messed up. That's actually wrong. That is so wrong.
Pausing. Loaded.
What's the other maps
log.
chat?
Poor Squizzle, dude.
The skeleton
We practiced
one,
them.
the
I
skeleton
think.
one.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
air show. I don't
Yeah.
know. Oh, I guess that's
Oh, the
this is it.
original.
Hey.
I recommend
Air
not
show.
punching anyone. Also,
Yeah, no, hug to the
Yeah.
left.
if you're good with F5, like I play F5 in the first stretch because it's impossible to see.
Yeah.
I also take a step back and get a sprint jump in right at the
Honestly,
barrier.
same.
Yep.
Oh, I mistimed it.
Everybody's punching.
Punch. Can't even see,
Shouldn't even
I
good.
just
Jesus.
jumped right off. Me and Etho. Okay, I got punched right off. Awesome. So I was gonna do good, and now I'm last place.
What'd I get? 4th. Nice.
Nice. I got 6.
Scar's
Did not-
punching you, Eric. I'm so sorry.
And not
I'm
even
trying to
take
hit
a
Scar.
punch there. Oh,
Keep going, guys. You got it.
you got it, Michael.
Yeah,
Nice.
that was really bad. You got it, Eric.
Oh my-
You
I
got
hit
it.
the side of the
You're
ladder.
doing
Why
good.
don't they make people invisible?
Flip his
I
head,
agree.
you
I
know?
agree.
Dude.
Keep going. You got
Oh,
it.
Fuck. Fruit is behind you, so
You can
I
always punch
mean-
fruit to be toxic.
Nah, don't. Just try to finish.
yeah,
Only
you're gonna
20
get
seconds. If you get
targeted
knocked off,
do that.
play your game.
And there's some jumps here.
Jump,
Yep.
jump.
Yeah.
jump.
Nice. And then just
Good
hold
job,
left.
good job, good job.
There's just go straight. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.
Nice.
Played. Weird punch. Weird punch.
The
People
next
punch me, so
one
I punch back.
might be the one where we go on the wing.
Yeah.
I
So
hope.
make sure you
Oh,
follow
yeah.
me. Okay, you have to follow
Okay,
me.
yeah.
Go
I'm gonna
up.
play safe there. I'm not
Go
trying.
up.
To get to the other side is not my
Okay,
game.
never
I've
mind, it's
consistently
this map.
Okay,
lost
none
in
of the
bottom
games
We
we
practiced that
practiced.
one.
No, we
practiced
practiced
this
this.
one, but
Don't worry.
that was it.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my.
Oh my
I'm
god,
already
silly.
behind.
Oh, I
We're
fell.
right
Why
into
is
the
this
water.
different?
And
Why were
I'm-
both
oh
those
my
bushes
God,
too short? Am I
yeah.
bad? What the hell? They like changed the map.
They changed something.
They changed my
Absolutely.
route. That was crazy.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little different right now.
Messed up the muscle memory.
Okay.
Ooh, I nailed that.
Got it. I got
Yeah,
19 there.
team
Oh,
bonus.
Good job.
Good job.
Well, team, that was huge. Whoa, and we still dropped
I
down.
kind of, yeah, I didn't get like top 10.
Yeah, dude,
I just
my
kept
route
falling.
was changed.
Yeah.
They'd move
Yeah.
some of the things.
Like literally, the bushes I jump on are god. That is
Yeah.
crazy. Hey, we did pretty good.
Scary.
It's different to MCCI. It's slightly
And
different.
we did
Slightly
third overall,
different.
and we just barely lost second place there. Like we are chilling. We did really
Yeah.
That was cool.
Dude,
don't know.
if that is different than MCCI, that is, I hate that.
good. Yeah, no, it definitely is. I run the same route every time.
Same.
It-
Yo, Dave. Hell yeah.
Yeah, this is
Hey,
very
I could just
different.
moved. If I moved up one place in the past 2 games, I would have had top 5 every game so far. But
Okay, so
Got 260.
never rely on MCCI for ticket toss.
Someone hates you. You've been the most punch player in this game of to get to the other side.
Oh
With
my
24
God.
punches.
What?
hey, where's
insane.
the say you got punched?
Bastards.
That is so mean.
That's so fucked up. Man.
Aw.
Wait, where can you see that stat? Unless it doesn't even show me because I didn't get punched. I
Yeah,
don't even
maybe
think
it
I got
didn't even
punched that
show
game.
you.
Like, I think I maybe was punched once. I don't know how. People love punching down, apparently.
That's so funny. That's
Yeah,
so
I'm
messed
like,
up.
I'm really struggling, but I got punched
Audience
off
vote.
so often.
It's on
Okay,
Twitter.
what do we want?
Okay, let's see.
Let's see what they got.
I still want the rail game.
Yeah.
I'm so surprised that's not been played yet. That
Yeah.
feels like it should be. We might have to rely on audience vote for that.
Back in the top 3, baby.
All right, I'm looking at their,
Hell yeah.
their Twitter.
I
Is it
don't
on
even have the
Twitter?
tweet
What?
yet.
I don't even have it yet.
Where is the tweet?
Show it to me, Rachel. True.
Where's the tweet?
Show it to me, Rachel.
Tweet is up now.
Okay.
All right, let's pull it up.
Show it to me.
Sands of Time,
Tweet.
Railroad Rush, Hole in the Wall, and Bingo but Fast.
Okay, least vote gets played, so let's vote. Fuck, these are all bad games for us.
These are all bad games.
Whatever you guys want.
Hole in the Wall, I think, is fine.
Nah, we need a better mindset. These are all great, but which one's the worst?
Sands of Time is our best out of these, so let's vote Sands.
You're out of your fucking mind. I've never.
Would you rather
done
play
of
Sands
Time.
last?
I've
No,
never.
okay. The thing is with Sands is like,
don't know
I'm
that I
pretty
would
confident
call it
that we'll
our
like we might not get
best.
first or second, but like I don't think
I
we'll,
would vote
we can
Hole
do
in the
that bad
Wall. I
unless we
think
die.
everything but Hole in the
Knock on
Wall
wood.
is fine for us. Unless you're really confident.
I
in
think
Hole in
we
the Wall.
won't do too bad at Hole in the Wall.
I mean, I'm terrible, so I don't know.
You're bad
All
at
right,
Hole in
I'm
the Wall.
voting
Yeah.
Hole in the Wall because it's the
Nah.
one with the least votes.
I mean, my average is
Least
like
votes
30.
Gets played.
Well, that average is gonna go up today.
Yeah, today.
Looks like it might be bingo.
We're the
just
best
off the
ever.
preliminary votes. We shall see. I got given a drink. Thank you.
I'm down for whatever.
The points are all still pretty close. We're within 1,000 points of first place.
I
Which
don't
is
really
orange.
want to make Railroad Rush a like ×3 multiplier game.
Same.
I
I'm
feel
like,
like we need
I have a
to
feeling
get
we could
that
do
out
pretty good at it.
ASAP.
maybe everyone in like that's watching wants to play Railroad Rush right now. I think they do. So everyone's
want that
voting
railroad.
everything else.
Yeah, vote everything else. Yeah.
Railroad Wash.
Everyone vote everything else except Railroad Rush. Vote
So
not
just don't vote Railroad Rush.
Railroad Rush.
And we want people to vote or is Meltdown even an option yet?
No. I forgot that's a thing. That honestly gives me fucking hope. Guys, in Meltdown, we have to hold hands and nobody go off and do anything crazy. Like
God.
if someone goes 4 blocks away from us, like you're just gonna die. Like actually. So we just have to all hold hands, and while we're walking around
I'll do my best.
yeah, don't go off on your own or else we die.
Or else we die.
I'm serious. That's how I watch so many Meltdown POVs, and that's how people die.
How do they die?
They die when people separate.
Oh, yeah, no, absolutely. Because it's a one-hit kill, basically. You get hit once, you're dead. And unless you have your team to support you, you're just screwed.
Right. I think in Meltdown, like we should have like someone like Arid or Michael be like the person who throws down their heater first every like engagement. 'Cause sometimes
Yeah.
I've been in Meltdown battles where everyone impulsively just throws down their heater at the same time, and then no one has the heater
Yeah.
for like
And you need
30
it.
seconds or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try and throw it down.
So like,
I can
Yeah.
throw it back.
You know what?
Anyway.
I want a burger.
okay.
I have a, why not? Oh man.
Have a Minecraft.
Yeah.
burger.
I want another burger.
Oh, I got fries.
What?
You can phrase that.
I have fries and a spatula.
Chef.
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 I think we're doing really good so far, though. I mean, 4th overall, pretty close to.
Yeah,
I mean,
we're doing good.
Orange has a bit of a gap between first and second, but besides that, pretty close game. Actually, now I'm looking at it, really close game.
No, it
eighth
is really
place
close.
is
All
only-
the teams, damn.
Yeah, 8th place is only 800 away from second. So this
me
board is
more.
gonna
Other
be
than the
shifting
pink
around.
parrots, which are on 1,000 points.
Hey, they're the new simmers.
Oh, I almost feel bad. Emphasis on almost.
Looks like I just looked at the poll. Looks like we're gonna get Railroad Rush, and looks like
I want a
it
railroad.
changes.
Yes, Etho, Skizzle, Tango, and
Oh, we have a
Impulse.
little bit of a break. I'm gonna BRB for like 2 seconds. I'll be right back.
2 minutes.
Yeah, we've still got 2 minutes.
Who else can I annoy?
Since when does Avondale have a Nox Crew tattoo on the back of his head?
Oh, like in real life?
No, on his Minecraft skin.
Oh. I don't know. More, please.
I feel like that's always. That has to be always.
Popcorn. I have my snacks ready.
There's popcorn?
Yeah, there's
How do you get
everything.
popcorn?
There's a popcorn machine.
There's so
Where's
many foods.
Come into the center area. Go left.
Into the arena or?
Yeah, into the arena.
I've seen the slushy. I didn't know you could get popcorn.
Yeah, there's a popcorn machine.
I think Gumi's petting the cat over and over.
Yeah.
Oh, there is. Oh my god.
I got a snack. I got a drink.
Get a slushy, and I gotta get I want cotton candy. They gotta add cotton candy to this.
Okay.
They could easily do it.
Mm-hmm.
Can we get some cotton candy for season 4?
Sploosh. I'm not a huge fan of cotton candy.
It's good. I like the flavor of it.
Sugar.
This
The
cape is
sugar.
so ant venom. I don't know how to explain, but this
Yo, I'm back.
cape is so
Welcome back.
Oh, it's
ant
paused
venom.
anyways.
Do you guys know what I
Oh.
mean when I say that? Like when you
Waiting
see
for a
this,
bit since the Twitter
you're
poll
like,
hasn't ended,
that's
okay.
ant venom.
There's negative 1 minute left. Assuming you meant T minus 1 minute left, but
I'm trying to figure out what Kara's skin is. Or what Kara is dressed as.
A car. I don't know.
What?
The way you
I was
said
like, what the
that.
hell are you talking about?
What?
What?
You said that so like what? Like
what the?
I'm not used to it. Riku
fuck,
from
can I
Kingdom
swim?
Hearts. Oh, okay.
I want
Wow.
to
That's
send
what I
our
want.
chats to. I want to know if I'm top frag right now in this game because I think I'm at like 30 kills.
oh hell yeah.
Nice.
It's the only it's the only stat I can consistently get is kills.
I'm good at one thing and one thing only, and that's killing people. Dun dun dun. I hate Soul Sand.
I listen to some Star Wars music. I miss
There's
some
a
Fight
jet
Club.
bringing a pride flag. Gay.
Gay plane. Oh wait, no, that's not a jet. That's a pterodactyl.
Wait, that's oh, it
What?
is. It's one of those
Oh,
huge
they
changed it.
pterodactyls.
my God.
Guys. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, so remember in this game, I'm gonna run ahead with Michael. Michael, maybe you can like mine the gold that you see, okay, and then bring it back and give it to Dave and Eric,
Yes,
who are
we will be building.
building. And yeah, I guess just try and you can place.
Oh, so Aaron and I are building. Sorry, I know you just said that.
Yeah, you. I mean, you're
zoned out.
building right away, but I'm gonna go ahead, mine gold, scout out the area, maybe see what we kind of need to buy, and then I'm gonna come back and help.
Yeah,
you.
I'm curious what the biggest struggle in this game is going to be. If it's going to be the pathing, or is it just going to be the resources?
Twitter.
Probably my depression.
We might have. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that might get in the way a little bit.
That's gonna be the biggest struggle.
Yo, Michael, can you just not be
Take your
depressed?
antidepressants and
Oh
let's
my
get this shot.
god.
I gotta work on that my self-esteem, maybe.
my
Maybe that,
Self-image,
that
a
might
little
get in the way.
Just imposter syndrome, just in general.
Guys,
We're great though.
Is it not?
what's going on?
What in the world? Those numbers don't add up.
That doesn't add up. That just doesn't.
It's the ones with the least.
Oh yeah, it is the one with the least. You're
Oh,
right.
okay, never
Golf
mind.
rules.
Thank God.
How
Okay.
to play.
This is the
Create
new
the
game.
longest uninterrupted railroad with your team. Buy more rails at the trader with mined gold.
Is that the only way to get rails?
Yeah.
Use the
Makes sense.
TNT
So if you
minecarts
run
to
out,
explode your way through the blockages in the course. Don't forget to keep the minecart powered with powered rails. And then it's stone. Anything that looks like stone brick, you have to blow up, right?
It's
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, there are
It's
four tiers of strength.
3.
Some you can mine with pickaxes, some you can only break with bombs.
I think it's 3 tiers.
And then,
The furthest
yeah,
reaching
emeralds
uninterrupted
are
railroad,
free gold.
Reaching checkpoints, and emeralds also.
Do we know how much emeralds get you? Like, I'm
25.
curious. Like,
We'll find
oh,
out.
okay, that's pretty big then.
We
You
all,
can get,
we
like,
all start with 1 dynamite as well.
Should we be mining? Okay, so this is our first
Golden
room, is it
Gabriel.
not? Am I wrong?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so.
I think so.
Okay, so
yeah.
Just explore, look around real quick. See if there's
Should we
anything
just
that we're
let
missing.
someone get all the gold early on, or like funnel the gold to someone?
Yeah, I think
So-
Michael and me. Michael can focus most on the gold
I mean,
and then funnel it to you
can, I
guys.
can be the shop
I think what we
person.
need to do quickly is buy the first, like, I don't know how many rails we can buy at a time, but
many as
it's
you
only a
can.
couple rails to the wall, and we should try to get this wall blown up, like, literally as quickly as we
Yeah.
can.
Also, we're gonna need at the
How much?
minimum.
Let me see how much this is.
It's every 20.
Oh, it's 1 gold per. So you guys
Yeah.
just buy rails and just make a straight line as quick as you can. See, because TNT's already going. Ouch, that almost killed me.
Okay,
All right, we just need 3 more rails. Anyone?
All right, more
All right,
rails.
it's coming. Now move out of the way. Oh, I don't know if you could actually get in the way. Nice. All right.
Okay.
Oh, we have a vault to our left. Wait, that's black coal.
Okay, let's take the one to our top right. I think. Wait, what even is up there? I don't understand.
I think we just go straight here.
No, we should.
Oh,
No,
dig
Dave,
into
we
the
have to get
walls.
this.
There-
Oh,
What's up?
Look, there's a vault to our right. There's a vault to our right.
oh, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's
So
a vault.
let's
That
get
makes sense.
let's get that.
Yep.
Here. I'm gonna give you the gold.
Oh, do we have to buy? I'm gonna buy some blocks.
There's a lot of. Oh, I placed down that TNT. My bad.
Mine behind the
let's-
stone too. So, gold rush.
TNT, gold rush.
How do we get up to the vault here?
You place.
I have
You
to-
buy concrete. You buy concrete and
Okay,
you make
yeah.
it go up. Okay.
Oh, gold rush.
Let's.
Wait, if you guys know directionals, maybe we go different directions here.
I'll go.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Being
It's
dumb.
okay.
I can't even
It's
see the
okay.
direction.
I don't have the mod on. I'm just
I'm
gonna go
going
far,
pretty
but
far.
not too far.
Oh, there's a
Yeah.
lot right here.
I'm griefing this person.
We got a minute.
Also, I've already found in the map, like inside the stone, there's ore too. It's not just
Yeah.
surface
Yeah.
level. Oh yeah, I'm digging into this thing. I haven't stopped mining
Oh,
gold.
skeletons spawn.
I just got a massive vein of gold. Holy, we're chilling.
So when we get back, we have to make sure you buy concrete.
Yeah,
oh,
I actually bought enough. I think I can make it work.
Okay,
For
yeah, make that
vault.
work. And then I'm going to go ahead with Michael. And Michael, we're going to break any stone that we can actually break
Oh my god.
and scout out the area. And you mine all the
be
gold.
Be sure to drop your gold whenever you're about to go, like to the, like, you know, say like give them your gold whenever we go run.
Yeah. And then also,
So-
Michael, there's like gold inside of the stone. So make sure you like mine all
I'm
of the
digging way
stone.
down.
I've got
like,
23
and-
gold.
I have
I'm-
53.
Dave,
Here's-
take all my gold.
Good job.
I'm going ahead.
Here's
Yeah.
30.
Hold on, I already
Yeah.
built like a little thing here. We could go up, right?
That's fine. Yeah, and maybe we go up right.
Oh,
But Michael,
I'm
come
just
here.
gonna buy a
Michael,
stack
come here.
of
Start
rails.
mining to all of that stone. Mine all that stone.
Oh, sure.
Wait, how the hell does this
So I
work?
don't know which way they're gonna go. So
How do you
Oh, I see-
even
I see
get
what
the
you're saying.
rail
Yeah,
to
good
go? I need to move this over.
Oh,
I'm not realizing.
ouch.
and then mine all the gold here, Michael, if you can.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Let me do this real quick. Sorry, I got a vision.
Is rails. Let me. What else should I buy? Should I buy powered rails?
Oh,
Should I buy
it hit me. I need.
TNT?
Oh, I need to buy some more rails. My bad.
There's another like special vault thing.
Damn, these things
near the
spawn
middle.
on you and they suck.
Oh,
What's going on?
okay. Just
The
that
skeletons.
I mean, we can break
part
this
blew
now,
up our
dude.
path. Wait, what? We're going
break
up to the
this.
vault. No?
Oh, there's a vault up there. Sorry.
Yep. All
Um,
good.
Michael, maybe
Hopefully
mine
that
out
works.
this stone as well, like right here. Once
Oh.
you're done.
Yep, got it.
Sorry, what am I doing?
Got the emerald. Got raw gold. Got more
Mine
gold. Got
up-
32 rails in
Michael,
that chest.
see where I am.
Damn, nice.
When you're done, just look
Yeah.
where I am.
Yeah,
Mine
just
out-
destroy
mine
all
out
this
all
area.
of that cobblestone.
Oh, we need
Yep.
the minecart to blow. Shit. Here, move.
Ouch. I've
now
got
destroy
stand
all
back.
of that and make it go straight. I think.
Yep. We're on it. I might
Okay.
buy a powered rail real quick.
I've got a powered rail.
Oh,
Where do
okay,
we
well, I'll buy
go?
one just for extra too.
This way.
Oh, Hannah, I should have given you my.
It's okay. I'm
gold
coming. I'm
before.
coming. You can just throw it down. We're down. Behind you. Nice.
There you go.
Okay, it's coming. I don't know if it'll have enough charge, Loki. I might throw a power rail down right here.
Sure.
Yeah.
I
Coming,
think
it's
it
coming.
has enough. It has enough to go to the next. That's
Oh.
good. I have more gold. Remember, just you guys are doing good.
Nice.
Yeah.
What should I buy? Should I buy anything?
Oh, weak blocks disappear. I totally forgot. I need to not be placing
Yes,
those.
they disappear.
I've still
So,
got lots
Dave,
of
I
Dave-
need
gold,
concrete.
so-
I need to buy more concrete.
Do you want to go
Sorry,
up to the vault up there or just straight?
We could go up. If I have enough gold, probably.
Okay, because if you guys like, we can destroy like back here, so then it doesn't keep destroying the concrete. Like, I don't know if that.
Can you place the rails? You can place the
Watch
rails.
out
on
for
these
the
blocks.
Dave,
Kurt.
I destroyed like a bit like early
Oh.
on.
I'm destroying
okay.
this massive.
I was just grabbing blocks. Here, we
Gold
can...
rush, by the way.
You have to be more fast.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
It's okay. I have a vision for when we come back.
I've got 25 gold on me, so.
I spent all my gold, but I have a stack of
Maybe
rails.
we just go straight on that one.
I totally thought this was gonna start like Rocket Speed Rush. Okay. Ooh.
Why? Why would you land on me?
Ooh, there we go. Lots of stuff. By the way, you can use the blocks in your hotbar to build up to places if you need to on this
Yeah,
map.
the disappearing blocks.
Yeah.
Oh, I got quite the vein. Let's go.
Oh, damn, this vein is insane. I just heard someone. Someone else is here.
But,
No.
Dave, I think we should keep going straight and avoid that one to the top left.
Okay.
And then
That's fair.
there's another one that's really easy to get to next.
Okay. Because I already got one vault and got an emerald.
Nice.
Yeah, we should go for distance. I think we can just...
I have a stack and more.
I have 24. Man, I did not do good that time.
I got 26, but all
Okay,
good.
I threw mine into the middle over here. Or, well.
I got some blocks. I'm just
Alright,
gonna go for...
I don't know
I'm
what to
going with
buy.
what you're
What
saying,
should
Hannah.
I
I'm not
buy?
gonna go for the vault and just go straight here.
What should I buy?
Yeah,
Just-
so
just-
we just need to focus on
But-
distance.
Yeah, so we
Okay,
can
I've got some
totally.
extra gold.
Is there another vault?
We might need an
Wait,
extra
There's
power rail
another
if someone
vault,
can buy one.
Dave. So maybe we go like down
I've got a power
first.
rail. Where do we need it?
Well, actually, we don't place it yet. We'll see. We'll see. Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
I'll just put it there.
Actually, that'll work.
It doesn't need to be there, but it can be.
It was gonna need one anyways. Looking at it now.
Yo,
Oh my
guys,
god, nice jump.
guys.
Oh, sorry.
That destroyed our concrete.
No,
I didn't
like, that's
expect
why,
it to
that's
make
why,
that
like
distance.
no, but like that's why I destroyed them on purpose. Like so then it didn't destroy our concrete.
Yeah, I
Like-
just
That's
flew.
concrete.
I didn't expect it to fly that far.
Okay, this is just temporary, so we can get this.
Oh, I see what you're
Yeah.
saying. Yep.
Yep.
I've got
All right,
concrete
we're good.
on
Just
me.
make sure you don't get hit by it. It's gonna come down right now.
I don't know if that's gonna
coming
go all the way.
down.
Yeah,
And
no,
then-
that's how it blew up before. Was because it the
Okay,
jump.
There it
okay, so
is.
everyone start building the rest. Like make it real, make it real.
TNT. Oh, that's
Oh.
just. Yeah.
Yeah, make it real.
Um.
So we're gonna have to go up, just up here, up here.
Oh, sorry.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna
Start
destroy it
Using
right here.
concrete is
No,
the
Michael,
building block.
we're doing this. We're doing this. We're just going
Yeah,
straight.
that's why I
No,
cleaned
Dave, we
that
don't have
out.
to go down. We don't have to go down.
Oh,
We can just go straight.
that's fair. Sorry. I think we're good with power rails.
I've got 11 concrete on me.
Watch out for the cart coming because if it hits you, it will destroy.
Okay, just finish
ground.
it. Try and finish it.
I'm afraid that it might not have enough.
We might.
juice.
Do we need to buy a powered rail then? Is there a powered
Maybe.
rail?
Maybe. Oh, it's
Oh,
coming. It's coming.
coming.
Let's just see. Watch out. Get off the rail.
Oh, we absolutely need one.
No, no. Oh.
Ah,
we gotta
let's
move
right
it.
here.
Wait, no, the one. Yeah, wait, actually, yeah.
I'm gonna run back and buy one.
Oh, we can't move this one.
Yeah, no, those ones are fixed. We have to just get one from the builder. All right,
Shit.
I'll just be ready over here.
Just give me a second.
I would say everyone get near the end so we don't
Go
accidentally
near
blow
the
up
end, go
anything.
near-
Yeah,
end.
true.
I destroyed that on purpose, by the way.
Gold rush in 17 seconds.
Oh yeah, it's gonna blow up here too.
Just place it right here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Here.
anywhere
Yeah.
there's fine.
Oh.
Nice. All right, we'll be good when we come back from Gold Rush.
Yep.
So far, we're 116 blocks away, though.
Hell yeah. Let me
116
in.
blocks away from
Let
what?
me in.
The spawn.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah.
God, did I just land at the most? Okay, whatever.
Gold. Give me the gold. There's people fighting up there.
I think we should all just have like at least one powered rail and concrete in our inventory.
Yeah. I think when we spawn back in, well, actually, once we blow up this next wall, then we should all just have a power rail.
Yeah,
We
not
don't
having
waste
powered
time by
rails
accident.
is a fumble.
And then they're not that expensive either. It's not like,
Yeah. What, they're 5 each?
yeah. So.
Yeah, I thought we'd be more like struggling for gold at this point, but we're actually doing fine.
There's only 2 minutes left, so maybe we just focus on getting really
Yeah,
far.
I think we
For
should focus on
instance.
distance, yeah. Maybe we should do it in segments.
Someone
like
go
maybe
ahead.
Someone should move
yes,
ahead.
yes,
Yeah.
that's what I was gonna say. Someone go ahead.
Okay, I got 60. Let's go.
So
Nice.
it's
I think
I
we're
got
pretty much good.
44.
Just let it run past us
just
here.
buy some stuff.
I'm gonna have two
I bought
powered rails
two
on
powered
me.
rails. I'm gonna buy.
All right, it's going.
I
so
bought some dynamite.
Okay,
Let's
let's go.
follow
Let's
it.
go. Let's go.
All right, I've got plenty of rails.
and I think we have it set up. It will blow up. So
Yes, it will.
We're good.
Rail fixer, reinforce all blocks.
warning:
below the
falling
rails.
minecart. Does it fall from above here?
Can we do that? I
Oh,
think
there it
that.
is.
Oh yeah, it does.
And then should we go down to get that, or just ignore it? Maybe we ignore it.
Oh crap!
Okay.
I think we ignore.
Yeah. I mean, we could make it go straight and then drop onto a. Like that.
No!
Oh wait, no, that's gonna shoot too far.
I mean, it
Never mind.
could.
I
Like,
say we
what
avoid
it.
can
Is the server frozen
do,
for everybody?
actually.
Nope, you're frozen for everybody. Though.
I'm frozen completely.
Hey guys, send it over
Oh
the
my
edge.
god,
Send
I
it over
just
the edge.
got disconnected.
Please
Yeah.
send it over the edge.
We're already moved
Here,
on a
I'm
little
down.
bit here.
I'm not losing frames on my stream.
I don't know if this will work. If it can turn into the. Hold on, watch out. No, it's not gonna make it. We need a
think
power rail
CST
earlier.
just got
I have to.
kicked.
I need to completely
Yeah.
restart my Minecraft.
Oh crap!
Can you?
Let's just
tell
not
them-
worry about. Oh, I got me. Okay.
Oh, nice.
There
I think we need to,
go.
like,
Where's the
have this
power
move a
rail
little
needed?
bit.
Like
you
that.
guys might need to contact admins.
Yeah, I would.
There's only 40 seconds left, so I'm just gonna play this out.
Yeah, hold on. We're going straight here, Eric. I don't know what you're doing here.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good.
The concrete's gonna. Oh, that's terrible.
Where
That's
even
so bad.
am I? Jesus!
I have enough blocks. Don't worry.
Yeah. Oh, wrong blocks to be using. Oops. Okay, we just need distance. We
Sorry.
need distance.
Yeah. I think it might be worth having it turn in, maybe. And then, yeah, just spam it as far as you can.
Yeah.
My game is not even starting. What is going on?
I don't even know if it's going to make it.
Shit.
Okay.
Oh.
We'll
How far
find
we
out
get?
now.
How far we get?
Do we have to watch everyone? Or no, we're watching our own.
Yeah. I think everyone watches theirs at the same time.
An interesting game.
Oh, Orange crashed already. Orange was #1 overall.
We're doing good.
We need more people to crash here, though. This is our end
Yeah.
stretch here. Okay, Yellow's crashed.
Oh.
Wait,
That
ours
counts as a
crashed?
crash?
Hmm.
Did it run out of juice?
crash?
Yeah. I
Oh,
think
that's
it just didn't
ran,
survive.
No, it ran out of juice. That's why.
Oh.
Well, that's why we wanted to play this early.
Yeah. We didn't know how to play this.
Did we not
game
do
at
good?
all.
No, we did bad.
No.
How bad did we do?
8th.
Second to last.
What?
Damn, Red. How did Red get 650?
Yeah. Well, that's the first time we played the game, so it's
Yeah,
a
no.
learning,
You know what
learning
I
experience.
think? I think that Red.
That's why we wanted to do it first.
I
Bastards.
feel like Red avoided all the vaults.
No, they had more coins than us the whole game, so they must have got emeralds.
Yeah.
This was the only way. I don't even know. Like, at the second gold rush, they had like 300 and something coins, and we only had 100, even though we got all vaults but one.
Jesus.
I don't know. I'm a top 10 rail placer this game, though.
I'm the
I was
top,
a-
top
Nice.
5
I was a-
TNT placer.
I
Emeralds
slaughtered
were
6
not worth.
creatures.
Yeah.
So I was a top 20 mob killer.
Yeah, emeralds need
Yeah, they weren't worth going for the emeralds, and we just went for them. Oh well.
Yeah, I don't think they were worth it. I probably should have known.
I mean, we literally could not have known.
Damn, that put us in 8th total.
It's
Yeah.
fine.
No, like I said, this is so close though. Like we're 8th, but we're 600 from
yeah.
second.
What is happening?
I wonder
in
if that
game?
just tanked my individual. No, I dropped on
Yeah.
the 4th. Okay.
Okay, what's gonna be next?
If we can get meltdown late though, we're at we can. Look, 8th place looks so bad, but
I mean, it's all really
400
close.
coins from top 3. I've been like,
Yeah, it's within 600 points. to second
Which once it gets
place.
into the 3x, right? This is actually such a fascinating game because orange was first. I think this whole leaderboard just flipped upside down or like
Yeah,
just
I
got
think so,
Yeah.
too.
randomized.
I mean, Pink are
this is a
very
really well
comfortable at the
balanced match.
bottom. They're doing great. At least they're having fun.
Aw.
Honestly though, like I feel like it's got to be pretty fun being on a team where you know it's statistically impossible for you to win.
No, they can win. Like if they really, there's a
Everyone
chance
else
for everyone
Everybody
to
dies in
win.
real life right now, then maybe.
Hey, they're better Minecrafters probably in general than
They
me.
are, yeah.
That is absolutely
But
probably
I've
true.
wasted my time
survival
on
Minecraft.
multiplayer PvP. So
Okay, I'm number 24 right now. I'm not mad about that.
oh yeah. No, we're doing pretty good. It's
that's
just such a
exactly-
close MCC that it feels so all over the place. But
That's exactly where I wanted to be. I wanted to be at 24. So I'm pretty happy with that.
I don't know what place I am, and I'm happy not knowing.
fair enough.
Okay. Game arrived.
Meltdown.
I do
Hell
like
yeah.
Meltdown.
I hate Meltdown.
But also, I don't want to risk skipping Meltdown.
We
Same.
should skip it.
I bet people are going to want to play Meltdown right now.
I mean, right now it's even then we're already in the 2x range, right? So
Man, I'm
it wouldn't be a total
surprised
loss to
Hole
play
in the
Meltdown.
Wall hasn't been done yet.
Hole in the wall sucks.
I don't
Again,
know.
it's
Like,
hard.
if-
You want
I
to
don't know if
do
anyone
bingo?
hates hole in the wall enough or loves hole in the wall enough to.
It
go
seems
for it.
people are going bingo. Want a bingo?
We can vote hole in the wall, and that chicken's going right in there.
Bongo. Bish bash bosh.
I'm down for whatever.
I don't know what to vote.
I'd vote Meltdown, but it does not look like that's even in the realm of possibility.
Either hole or bingo.
Wait, I'm watching this orange chicken walk all the way over to Meltdown.
I'm voting. I don't even know. Whatever
Oh,
happens.
my
happens.
chicken hit you guys on the back of the head. Go in there,
threw-
chicken. Ooh,
I
I
threw
might have
right
been able
in
to
the
punch my
middle.
chicken in there.
Oh,
it walked
my
in.
god!
I
Oh,
think
it made
it's
it
hole in
too.
the wall. It might be hole in the wall.
Is that the
actually
new
is.
strat for voting?
What, like just punch and then
Punch it,
Oh,
yeah.
it's bingo. Okay.
Okay.
My
Um,
vote counted there.
I think we should all jump off separate spots of the map. Okay, everyone focus up right now. Like, this is really important right now.
Yes.
We're going to look at the
Yes.
map. We're going to look at
I
bingo.
wasn't petting my
yeah,
cat.
Okay, everyone look. Everyone look.
I'm downloading the
never mind.
resource
So-
pack, so I can't see.
I'm
anything.
loading. Oh, and now we got
No, we
this.
have to
Oh,
wait.
but I managed to open my inventory quick enough. I can't look at it. Wait, there's a bingo card and then crusty old pirate map. Why do they gotta call it
Yeah,
crusty?
crusty old pirate map,
Crusty.
teleportation, so you can teleport to each other.
I don't have
Fireworks,
any
you
of
get
those.
two
Oh,
fireworks.
wait, you can press F1 and turn off the screens. I'm looking around. Oh, okay, I see
So
the
chat, isn't
ocean
it-
monument.
How does
This
this
feels
work?
like cheating.
Whoever gets it
Well,
first gets the most points.
Not my fault. Their graphics are toggleable. There is a
Like, how does the
shipwreck
scoring-
towards the desert area right below. It might be worth going for that, depending on what. I can't look at the bingo board though, so.
So it really matters if we get the first craft, but then we should get the lines. Okay, let's
Yeah.
take a look at, bingo card.
Big logo.
Let me get
So
this.
we have to
There's
get tough, bucket of tropical fish.
I can't
Dolphin's
see
Dolphins
Grace
those.
should be one we should go quickly for. Try
Get
to
to
find a
s-
dolphin right off the back.
Okay.
Oh, true.
The rip.
I can jump right for the dolphin.
Red,
if
coarse, and
people want that.
irritating. What would that be? Red
Aaron,
sand,
are
maybe?
you able to go for flower pot by chance?
Mining
Sure.
fatigue you must
Okay.
get. I'm gonna go for the ocean monument, maybe right off the rip, and try to get
Ooh,
mining
ocean.
fatigue.
Do I see any clay?
So-
Wait,
Oh,
no.
wait.
Do I want mining fatigue
Head
first?
over here by the sand, and there should be clay over. Okay, I don't even know
So
what
what's
I'm gonna.
the X marks the spot?
Wait, I'll just kill myself after. That's what I'll
Okay,
do.
sea pickle shouldn't be that hard. Isn't there sea
I'll
pickle
get
and
sea,
coral?
Yeah.
I'll get sea pickle and dolphin
Yeah.
grace.
All right. Focus on getting to land.
No,
Oh, I got it. Who-
someone stole sea pickle.
I got
from me.
mining fatigue, and now I might need to drown myself.
Did we get dolphin's grace?
No, I couldn't find dolphin's
I
have a
grace.
got a
dolphin.
sea pickle. I got sea pickle.
Beast
How did
Beast
I get
Black
it?
concrete,
underwater
we need
in a boat.
squiddies.
I could. What does that even mean?
Go above. The fucking lava thing.
Yeah, just hook another play with a fishing rod. I am in the ocean and I wasted my freaking
I want to look for tough.
firework rockets and I'm stuck.
If you die, do you just go back to spawn?
Do you get more firework rockets or no?
sponge. I know I could have gone for
No.
sponge chat, but I freaking have mining fatigue.
If you
I-
die,
Because
do
of the
you
thing.
go back to spawn?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm gonna,
Okay.
I'm gonna let myself drown.
If someone,
because
if someone
I
can
got
make a
Dolphin's
boat,
Grace. I got it. I had to take off my
if
light.
someone can
Oh,
make
nice.
a boat, I have a magma block to get sucked down.
Nice.
Wait, where's the magma block?
I have it.
Is it all four
Oh.
corners
Fish,
collectively as a
mushrooms.
team?
I grabbed it so nobody else
I
can
see
do it.
tough, but can I even get this with my mining fatigue? I'm gonna let myself die
I'm going
here.
to you, Dave. Wait, will I get mining fatigued?
I got mining fatigue because I went
Where's
into the ocean.
where's the tough? Where's the tough?
I thought it was
Someone on
tough.
land?
It's not. I managed to mine it. Sorry, I
Also-
thought it was tough, but it was
Fine.
andesite.
Okay,
We
who's
need,
on land? Oh,
I'm gonna go towards
I'm
land.
on land. I'm on land.
okay. I have
Okay,
to
dude,
wait
one of us
30
needs to go
seconds.
mining.
What do I have to get? A bucket?
Yeah, I don't know where you get a bucket
Do we
of
have a
milk.
crafting table?
No.
I don't even know how you get. Oh, someone else does. I stole their crafting table,
Okay.
Lol.
I need that crafting
and I
table.
almost died to
Where's
a
the
trap.
iron go?
Alright, I'm
Dave,
gonna.
place
hey,
it, place it.
right here.
Thanks.
I managed to fall down this hole that they placed, but
Oh shit.
Where
Yeah.
the fuck are trees?
we should. I got this
How do you
back.
make a boat?
I don't have a.
What is this
Are
map
do
you
make
at
a
for?
there?
boat
Oh, you're in a
without-
cave too. This is
That
not
gravel?
going
Oh, that
great.
is gravel. I need
I
gravel.
need to find a cave that isn't
Oh my
entirely
God.
underwater.
Chat, you're right. A shipwreck is how you get a boat. Fuck.
Oh yeah, you could have. Yeah. Sorry. Should have said that.
Is there any fishies anywhere?
Can I get some iron maybe before I die here?
Okay.
I'll let myself
Hate
die again
that.
here.
Okay. Is
Shoot
all
yourself.
four corners collectively as a team?
Who's
wear
on
a
land?
full
Who's
set
on
of
land?
golden armor, red
Me.
horse, and irritating
Well, I'm not-
red
Break
sand.
24 mycelium. So is there a freaking like mushroom?
Don't have any-
whatever,
Anyone got
biome?
gravel?
I do not have gravel.
No.
Does-
I'm
does
gonna
anyone have a
fly
crafting
off in the
table?
distance to see if I can find mycelium. I found a village though. Is there anything I can get from a village?
And gravel.
Does anyone
Dave.
have crafting table?
No, I see a shipwreck. I'm
Oh,
gonna
I do,
go
I do.
use it
Bubble
for wood.
coral.
Here, teleport to me.
Come get to me. I just found a really good biome. I don't want
Well,
to
you've
leave
got a
right now
crafting
unless
table,
you really
Michael?
need it. No,
Okay,
I have one.
I'll come to you.
But
I'll
I'm
come
in
to
the
you.
I'm in the forest where there's tons of wood and stuff.
Okay.
How do I get?
Hi.
Yeah,
Oh.
bubble- Blaze
I'll get
ca-
bubble coral block, maybe. I got it.
Dude, I don't even know how to make cyan dye, but red, coarse, and irritating. Is that not?
That's red sand.
Oh, I see red
Star
sand.
Wars joke.
Oh, I
When
got
did
it.
I get
Second. I should have known a Star Wars joke. That's embarrassing for me. Okay, I can get a bucket of milk.
Oh my god, what happened?
After I get a bucket of milk, I'm killing all the cows. Is that toxic?
Is there a composter in
No,
the village?
it's not toxic at all. Do it.
First on milk. Let's go. You're dead.
I want to
Nice.
go find tough.
Um,
I need to go somewhere
Okay.
else. Rose
TNT
Green-
Mike-
minecart
sucked under
sponge.
in a boat, we're
Mushroom
fourth on
stew. I
that.
can go for. Anyone finds mushrooms? Let me know. Mushroom stew. We just need a red and brown.
Anyone got any clay?
I'm in an area full of clay. What do you need clay for?
Flower
You
pot.
can cook it to make a flower pot.
And
We
then
also need.
We do the
Oh, you need
concrete.
like clay. Gotcha.
We need.
Oh,
we
I
need
just found some.
glazed terracotta. Cyan
Wait,
specifically.
there's a flower pot. Fill a composter's one, and there's a composter right near me. What am I doing?
How do you make cyan?
Oh, for target
don't
block.
know.
Wait, how do you make a target block?
I'm gonna. Okay. Oh my god. I'm trying to do
Wait,
black
compost.
All
concrete.
right, we
use
got black
saplings.
concrete.
You do? Okay.
Someone in my chat said. Someone in my chat said.
I need
Composter use
redstone.
saplings.
If anyone can find redstone, we can make a target block. I
Yeah,
guess that's what
we need
do we even
mushroom
need?
stew. We need tough.
Hey,
Shoot a
hey,
target
Hey,
block with an
someone's
arrow.
found
Oh, I
tough
would
yet.
need a bow as well, though.
Get to space. Does that go really high?
I think
Yeah,
so.
maybe fly above block limit.
Chat, you guys
I'm gonna
gotta
try to
tell
find
me
mushrooms.
What the fuck you mean when you say that? Use hay for the composter. Where's a composter? Where is?
Oh, there's one on. Oh, you're right near it. The composters are in the village. They're the brown buckets of wood.
No, I know, but where is it?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe someone destroyed them after getting the achievement. Not gonna lie. That.
Found it.
something I would
Composters
do.
is right here. Just start. I'll
Is
got
anyone
it. I'll do
seeing
it.
the mycelium? Apparently,
Put it in this one.
breaking mycelium is a part of it. But
I just stole someone's composter.
Okay, I did it.
Oh,
I
let's
did
go.
it. I did it. Okay,
Okay, I
let's
need to
get
find a
flower
cave.
pot and
Composter.
hook someone else with a fishing rod so we can get a row.
I have clay. I can TP to someone. if they can make a furnace.
Yeah,
for me.
just
what did
come
we
here,
need
Dave,
the
come here.
Alright,
composter
TPD.
for? Did we
Okay.
already get
I'm
it?
Just give me the
stealing the
clay.
composters.
And then
yeah.
can you try and focus on getting like a fishing rod or something so you could hook someone? I don't even know if that's possible.
I wonder if back in this biome we can find an exposed mine shaft with cobwebs and get string. Hopefully, that's gonna be my goal. I should not have wasted my freaking fireworks so early. Oh, they came back. I'm stupid.
Yeah, no, you get more.
Uh,
How did
good.
they do that?
I found a desert temple. I don't know if someone got
That
it.
might have something in it.
Oh, someone's
I'm
been
with
here
you.
for sure. Someone's been here.
We need to get more rows. So, can anyone do? Dave, where was the dark prismarine from that one place? Do you know where that was?
What the temple?
Yeah, the temple.
The temple. It was like straight, like you could see it from the spawn island. It was in the ocean.
Okay, is there
Actually,
a
this is
way I
obvious.
can go spawn?
You could kill yourself
Oh,
respectfully.
I'm with.
That's what
I'm
I've been doing.
Kevin's
I've been
spot.
literally
I'm trying to
just
get
kill.
this
I've been
space.
drowning myself. I don't know if there's use for gold, but I got a bunch of gold.
What's the height
Sponge, get
limit
the
now?
space,
It's like
redstone
300
repeater, dark
something,
prismarine.
right?
Oh, a full set of golden armor. Maybe I could try to get that.
Yeah, I'm looking for gold inside this area, and I'm
Wait,
not.
do you have any? Because I've been finding some.
No, no.
All right, I have 9 golds right now.
Do we have the
Oh.
composter one?
I don't think so.
No, I
What's
did
the
it. I did it.
composting
I did it. I
one?
did
Oh,
it.
Yeah,
oh,
that's
okay,
what I was
okay,
gonna say.
Where's the sea temple?
It says on the map, right?
Is there dark prismarine just in there?
Yeah, in the.
We have to
And a
get
sponge.
rose.
We need to get a sponge. If you can get the sponge from the
I don't even know where that
sea temple as well.
is.
It's like in the main. I don't even know, honestly. Speedrunner would know. Not me. Oh, nice.
There we go.
I have 15 gold. If anyone can find gold in the caves, I could go for a full set of
I
gold armor.
found one. I found one gold.
How much you need for a full set of armor?
Uh,
Oh, like Hannah might know
God.
that. Top it.
I don't know. Something
Oh,
20
that's all good.
something.
I think it's probably 24.
Can anyone get string? We need.
I'm gonna
It's
we
only
get
need
night
that.
time, so we're gonna
Do we
get.
need diamonds or anything?
Does anyone like buy that village still?
There's a village.
I'm not.
24 for a full set. by
I
the
got
way.
tough, even though it was late. I got it. Oh, gold? Found more?
Dude, I
Someone
remember I
take all
was
the
like a
sponge.
chicken with my head cut off. I suck at this.
What is the height limit?
Visit all 4 corners collectively as a team. What the fuck?
Oh.
So we need to like.
So
All right,
we all
guys.
have to
I
split up.
need just a little bit more gold.
Yeah,
I
how
have
much
4,
more
and
do
I
you
have a chest plate and boots. So I need.
Does anyone on surface buy like a furnace or something?
I need 8.
I'm
no.
like way high up. You can teleport to me if you want.
Actually, I'm gonna teleport over to you because I was in the bottom. Okay. Oh, and all my lights are on. Oh, that was clutch.
There we go. We got to get to space.
let's
I
go.
need a
All right,
furnace.
what else
Does-
do we need?
Guys, does anyone have a crafting table? Can you come to me?
I've got a
I have a-
crafting
oh,
table.
Wait,
I have-
Eric, just
yeah,
can
I
you
have one as
fly
well.
down to me? Oh, I see you. Wait, I
must
see
be
you.
Where
here.
are you?
Sponge,
I'm on the
prismarine
other
crystals,
side of
every
this,
connect
like,
for my
little-
stone, sorry, hook another player with a fishing rod. This is all corners. We're a full set
Yo,
of golden armor.
Hold on. Yeah. How much?
Can you place crafting table?
I need 8.
You need 8 gold. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
I have 5 on me.
Okay, I'm gonna TP you my
I'm doing
6.
sponge.
Oh, move.
Oh, just drop-
Move.
oh, sorry.
Move.
That's a zombie killing you. That might be enough. Here, just let me get it. Because I
Yeah.
need. I already got half the armor.
Here,
That's
there
fine.
you
And
go.
just
There's 8.
drop the rest.
I just threw 8 at you.
Nice.
Oh.
What are you guys working on?
Full set of gold armor.
Okay.
Here. Oh shit. Make it fast.
Yeah.
No.
Got it.
Damn, I wish I got the top right one.
We
What's
didn't
the
get.
last
We got one
top
bingo.
right?
Hook another player with
Hook
a
another
fishing
player
rod.
with a fishing
Oh,
rod.
Dude, I
damn.
could not find string for the life of me.
Yeah, prismarine.
I found diamonds, lol.
Mycelium.
Man,
No use for that, huh?
That game is rough.
was
Yeah, that was
hard.
rough. That was very rough.
Yeah, I thought I was doing all right there, but yeah.
I
Oh, good.
fumbled on that really
Just
bad. I'm sorry.
the not having any wood really was
11.
confusing.
Yeah, I guess rose and stuff is like the most important thing to focus on.
Yo, sparkles.
You get the kill icon?
I was one of the biggest jumpers. I mean, that's
I was
'cause
top 5 food or drink consumers.
Nice.
Yikes.
12,000 coins? Oh wait, that's total
That's
scores. I thought he got
users.
that just this game. I was like, what?
That'd be crazy.
Now it's gonna be hard to come back up.
Nope. Wrong. We're gonna win, dumbass.
We're the best meltdown team in the event.
Hopefully.
It definitely screwed my individual, but I don't care.
Yeah, that
I don't
game
even want to go
was-
look at my individual.
Hey, you know, we have our good ones and our bad ones.
Yeah.
No biggie.
Let's try and play meltdown next game.
Oh yeah.
We out here melting.
Ooh, that was not
And then everyone's gonna be blown away when blue bats get first in Sans Time Meltdown. And then just
are.
sweep dodgeball without a single death. I'm calling it now. Calling my shots.
That would be cool.
Oh gee, I wish I could see how many bingos I got. Doesn't tell you, I don't
Bingos.
think.
I got 2.
Wait, does it tell you that?
No, I just know.
Oh,
I think it should
Fair.
tell you, but I don't
probably
know.
got like 3 or 4. I didn't get many.
Yeah, I did not do good on that at all.
Those were tough ones, and then that was a tough map too. That was a curveball just all around.
Yeah. Like that. The only bit of land I saw was that one right next to spawn. And apparently there's a place with mycelium.
Did anyone figure
that's
out
what I was trying to find out.
what the X was?
No.
Okay.
The X marks the spot?
Oh, I don't know. I honestly barely looked at that map, and I probably should have. All good, gamers.
Show you the lay of the 7 seas.
Interesting.
Did it show where mushroom was? Maybe I tried to find
anything.
mycelium, but I couldn't find it.
I'll show where the land was. That's cool.
X was spawn. Oh, okay.
Oh, well, that actually would have been useful if I had a brain.
Okay, let's vote meltdown.
Yeah. All good.
You got a
Now we
personal
know for
best.
next
Yeah, I jumped
time.
340 times. What a
I spent half this game jumping around.
Sorry, going for meltdown.
Yeah.
yeah.
I missed.
You whiffed that.
How did you?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh.
No!
Are you kidding me?
Die. Whoever did that. What the
It's
heck?
pink
Rick?
parrots.
Okay. Like, they care that much.
Looks like it's going to be a hole in the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like hole.
Oh, but Big Chicken in Meltdown, hole in the wall chickens are stand.
Boy.
Oh.
Nope.
Come on,
Big
big
chicken,
boy.
not giving a fuck. Not
There's no
doing
way it's
anything.
not
He doesn't
hole in the
care,
wall.
it's hole in the
It's
wall.
okay. We're gonna have Meltdown last. Also, we're all gonna get a 3-peat in hole in the wall right now. None of us are gonna
Yeah.
die once. And we're gonna have a Meltdown finale. Surely not a Sands of Time finale, which has happened 700 times.
Yeah.
Ugh. Download
I
it.
believe.
Everybody.
believe. We need to lock in.
Yes, sir.
How to play.
Don't
Ant
fall
Frost
off.
again
There we
left the
go.
game, bro.
That's how.
Where
Remember
do
to
you
stay
see in
hydrated.
chat? How do you see the chat?
I don't know. It shows up over the. Like if I press T,
I
like my
don't,
old
I
chat
don't
pops
have
up.
that at all. No, mine doesn't do that.
Hmm. Seems like it might be a skill issue.
Oh, it's because you're using Lunar.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, the quality of life features, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta wait for Ant Frost.
Where was my pause during Railroad Rush? That's why we lost.
Yeah, in the last 30 seconds.
Yeah.
You had to completely relaunch Minecraft, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, because it wouldn't let me back in. It just like locked me out of the server completely.
Oh, weird.
Yeah.
In the future,
Fine.
sometimes it's worth it connecting to
Oh.
like a public server
Lock in,
and then
lock in.
connecting. But not always.
Oh, green.
All right.
Yep. Same one twice.
Dude, what
Damn.
is
I can't see
happening?
through
How are
people.
people dying like that?
You might come back. Probably. Never mind.
Oh,
Green.
same direction, same direction. And then I think there's gonna be one from the north. Oh no, never mind.
Same
direction again?
Yeah.
Direction, and it's fast.
North.
Ooh.
Green.
Unless it comes in
West.
super fast and it
That's
just
west.
slows down.
That's west. That's green. Might come back. Yellow.
Yeah,
Yellow.
Going back.
Coming back.
Ooh.
And then another one from the same direction.
Yellow.
Go team, go.
Blue. No. Or purple. Blue. 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 Blue.
It's
Blue.
blue, 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 blue.
Just let me know the.
In the
No,
middle is a good
you
area
guys
to
know.
land. Yellow.
Yellow.
Could be a fake. Nope. Blue.
North.
It's purple. It's
fake.
purple.
Fake out.
Behind.
Make sure you walk
should not have
when you're going
survived
through those. You have to walk through
I
those.
I also hold crouch the whole time.
Yeah.
Same place twice.
Oh my god.
All good. All good.
Okay, I'm out.
Now we got two more rounds. Don't worry about it.
Blue, blue.
Same.
I did a big stupid. Sorry.
All right, all of pink's dead.
Purple.
Just bounce back.
Surprise.
Wow, that was.
I think I watched someone on
should
pink
not
team die.
have fallen.
Nope, that was Becky. Purple.
Oh crap.
I
Green.
don't know why I let that happen.
Oh, I
Good,
just
my
hit
bounce
my
back is bouncing
toe.
back.
It bounced back.
Just call out the colors. I would appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Colors are better.
Oh,
Purple.
Oh, well,
Purple again.
Purple.
Platform deleting.
Purple.
I don't know, guys. I thought that I jumped, but
oh! I made it, and then I fell through the.
Damn.
Oh my God, that
is
got
coming
everyone.
Straight back. Everyone died on that one.
Literally, one person lived after that. I made it through too, which is annoying. It
Damn,
fell.
dude.
Damn is censored.
Yeah.
What'd I get then there?
Thinks damn's a swear. Okay.
A lot of people. You're not allowed to say damn.
Who?
A lot of people.
America, I
I
forget.
think I might have got top 10 there at least. Should be good for our team points, I think.
1984. Thank you, chat. What in the world is going on?
Right side of that one.
That was so
What
fast.
in the world?
Same direction again.
What?
Are you out? Oh,
Okay.
uh-oh.
It really be like that. It's
It's
all good. We
okay.
got another round.
It's okay.
I think
North.
it's because it
Blue,
turned
it's
my
blue.
toggle sprint off and I thought I would go further. That is really painful.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'll just call it out. Green.
Oh, I keep forgetting it tells me what place you get on this side.
Yeah,
Coming from the same direction, the opposite direction. Sorry.
yeah. That's yellow, right?
Mm.
Yellow again.
Oh,
Yellow again.
That might return.
yeah. Oh,
Yep, it's returning.
oh. It, like faked me out. It went so far away.
Blocks removing on the platform. Watch out.
Yep.
Purple.
Yep. Left or right side. Left
Purple
side's the
again.
safest. Sure.
There's this one in the middle. That might come
Might
back.
return.
That's gonna come back.
Yeah.
I feel
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
coming back. Double wall.
And then you can walk
on
through the
blue.
slab, I
Walk
believe.
through, Yeah.
Nice.
Blue.
Oh, same direction.
Yeah, blue.
Oh, that almost got me.
Yeah.
Blue again.
The same exact wall, same exact direction.
Increase speed.
I'm feeling a bounce back.
Coming
Yeah.
back. Coming back.
Might come back. Nope.
Yellow.
Oh,
Fast.
What in the world?
far left, far right.
I
Yeah,
couldn't. I
yeah.
just. I was
Yeah,
like.
no,
I was
yeah.
lost. I was
Oh, it's
lost.
bouncing
back.
back.
I was lost.
Yeah, you're good. That was a tough wall if you're just standing in the wrong spot.
Anyone still in it?
Yeah, me
Yeah,
and Michael.
me.
Nice.
Get the fuck off of it now!
Coming
Oh,
back.
bounce back. You almost rode it back.
Yeah, tried.
Told
And
you
then
guys.
But yellow.
Yellow. Might come back.
Whoa.
No, purple.
Yeah. Got it. Oh, coming back.
Yep. Blue.
Why did it
Another
bounce
one.
me? I made it. What? Ugh. All right, top. I got 5th place that time.
Good
Oh,
job.
yeah. Dave, you're carrying.
I made it through on that side, but Not work out.
Damn, I look good at this.
I'm starting to think this guy has over 10,000 hours in Minecraft.
I don't know why people thought that this would be a good game to play right now.
I think, yeah.
Like, I don't know why Meltdown got griefed right now.
Some people really dislike Meltdown.
I'm a Meltdown hater.
I definitely like hated it the first few times I played it, even when I was doing good. But I've learned to love.
Green.
Oh my god, the weight slowed down. Actually, almost.
Yeah, it throws
I was like
me
going
off.
in for a jump, and then it just slowed down. It's coming the way.
Yellow.
Yeah, opposite side. Yeah.
Foolish
My comms are so
Wolves
bad right now.
Tier 1 subs of butter. They have given 26 gift subs in the channel.
Looks like it might come back. And it
Bounce
did.
back. I wish there was a way to like know for certain.
All right, it was coming from yellow.
Whoa!
And then there's two coming from that side. Again.
Green.
Log in.
Fake out. Oh no, it's recoiling. Never mind.
No, it was a different
No,
one.
it's not.
Oh, I'm tripping.
C.
I'm just.
No,
It hasn't not
that's
come from
yes.
our sides. Oh,
Platform shrinking.
but it did that right when it was like on the spot to stand. That was
Yeah.
crazy. Almost got me. Okay. Yeah.
Oh crap.
And a little crouch
Ooh.
jump through the fences there. Always the move. Might be green here. Nice.
There we go.
Recoiling back.
Oh, it's coming back. Oh my god, 3 ways. Ah!
Oh, good.
That's returning.
A lot of
of
people got
people.
out there. Yep.
All right,
Bounce back, and then there's another one. I think you're safe on the far end. Yep.
north,
Same direction again. Yep.
blue again.
I might return.
Yeah, I'm feeling that's gonna happen. Yep.
Yeah, it's returning.
Call.
Watch
Oh, watch out.
Platform deleting.
Lots of blocks going.
Yellow,
Oh god. Oh, crouch jump. Got it.
south,
Behind you there, Hannah. Yeah.
purple.
That's gonna get me.
Oh, I somehow got that.
Back again.
Oh, I held on for so long. I think I made it. I got 8th place there.
Jesus.
Where'd I get there? I got 5th. Okay.
Hell yeah, Michael.
I just like held onto the wall as everyone was dying to the same wall.
Nice.
There seems to
Good
be
job.
a point where it's just like, we've decided the game has to end now.
Yeah.
Go.
I was 34th? I thought I survived for quite a while there. Jeez.
I don't know. I think this game needs more hate.
14th and 5th.
I think it needs as much hate as
I
Meltdown.
got top 10 every single round there too. That's tough.
You did good.
I was in the top
Personal
20
best.
people of players. Okay, cool.
Don't tell me I
never
got
beat my
6th. If
personal
I got
best.
6th individual in this game again, I'm gonna fake.
I will never beat my personal best after the first MCC unless they reset that. Because I think I scored like 2,000 points. On the
Yeah, I like in the
Wow.
first few MCCs before people knew any of the games, I did really well at Hole in the Wall, but I've never done well at it since.
Michael, you and I won every single game in MCC1.
The MCC one, the first hole in the wall. I think I got first, second time, 2 times in a row.
Yeah, chat. Like, the reason this game is flawed is because, like what Leah just said, because Dave died in the same wall as I did and got 10 places ahead of me. Like, if you die at the same wall as someone, it shouldn't depend on how far you're falling into the ground. Like, that's why this game is flawed. And I just think that this game is just not a good game. I'm sorry, but it's just not like a good game. It's not a good individual game. I think there's a lot of different, I don't know.
2 vaults that no one
So
else
we thinking
did.
Meltdown?
I
Yeah.
think Meltdown is our only shot at winning.
Yeah.
And then if we get
Meltdown
Sands,
is
we'll do
also
our
just fun.
best and hope
Yeah.
for the best. But yeah,
How you
I would
doing,
say-
Hannah?
Oh, I'm fine. I just think that game is like flawed. I think that when
Yeah.
if 2 people die on the same thing, it just depends on how fast you're falling to the ground. Like,
No,
No, absolutely.
I got stuck in a wall and it literally pushed me up like 10 placements.
Yeah, like stuff
Oh
like
my
that.
God.
I'm just like. That's why this game is just not my favorite game.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
someone
I don't
said
like
I
holding the
got
wall.
1,056 unmultiplied coins in MCC, one hole in the wall.
Wow. That's crazy.
That would be around 300 less today, apparently. Jesus.
1,000 unmultiplied. That's actually like
yeah.
That's a
I
lot.
must have done that too because I was second in division that one.
Damn boy, that's crazy.
Freaking Quig took my first.
No.
So today I don't have a canonical first individual, so I need to go crazy and meltdown and go from 7th to 1st.
Yeah, I believe.
I just need to somehow pass Feinberg by 800 coins in this game,
Few
and
kills.
fine. Totally reasonable.
Oh, it's between Sands and Meltdown. Ooh.
Oh, and they're right next to each other on the voting thing, of course.
Yeah.
Well, why would they do that?
Yeah, even though you don't like Meltdown, dude, Meltdown is what we got to do. Like, there's just no path to get from 9th to the top 2. Oh, I got a dunk bowl. 2 we shooting.
Red.
Who wouldn't want Meltdown? Red? Oh, and let me shoot.
I would choose red or aqua.
Nice.
I got red. I didn't even think about it.
Okay, some people want Meltdown.
Oh, these chickens are running and they're killing the chickens. Dude, what is with pink team sabotaging us and everything PvP? Oh, but they're walking over to Meltdown. These chickens
they
are
are
based.
walking. Save your eggs until the
Oh.
last few seconds.
Let's go. Oh, but people are waiting to put. Oh,
All right.
okay, but a mega chicken.
5, 4, 3.
Throw your egg.
No, and the mega chicken leaves. And 3 seconds.
Oh,
I
might
think
be
it-
Sands.
Sand.
Oh, this is gonna be close.
Oh, chickens make a freaking decision. Ugh, dude, the mega
Damn.
chicken screwed it. Oh my god.
All right. I mean, Sands, you can get a lot of points in Sands.
Just
Lot of
know,
points.
no matter how this game ends, we got actually the worst game pool and game order possible for our
For our
team.
team.
Yeah.
Like
It literally could not be worse.
It couldn't have been
in any
worse.
capacity.
at all.
Like we were like, we need to get Sands out first. Nah.
Santa Time finale. I'm sure everyone's so curious who's going to be number 1 and 2. Probably the same teams that are 1 and 2 right now because Santa Time. It
No.
blows. I'm sorry.
You're gonna see.
It's a terrible
me
game.
do
I hate it.
not
I'm going to be the
only-
I think
best
it's a
Sand
good
keeper, and I'm going
game.
to keep us organized.
I'm gonna do blue vault. I'm gonna do gold vault. I'm gonna do red vault. I'm gonna do
Okay,
everything.
no,
I'm
Michael,
gonna be
you're
the
doing
best
blue
and
vault.
the First.
Yeah, you're doing blue
Dude,
vault,
no.
Michael.
You're doing
No.
blue ball, buddy.
And
No.
Frost left again, dude. I think we should ban him.
Why does
I'm gonna be the
Ant keep
best
getting like?
Sands player ever.
I think we could do good in Sands, but even if we get first by a good margin in Sands, we won't crack like top 2. Like there's never been that big of a coin disparity between the top like 5 teams in Sands. Maybe I'm wrong, and hopefully I'm wrong. Maybe this will be it. I'm gonna play like the game depends on it, but
Yeah, let's call out like if it's not your vault, you turn around
Yeah.
and you find yours. Like
Okay, so I'm gonna say because I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need some people from other people's chats to come into mine and tell me what I'm doing wrong.
okay, so Michael, don't mind
So-
any of the sand in the middle. Don't
Yep.
try not to pick up any coins. Just pick
Yep.
up keys. And-
If there is a room which has mobs in it, you can block it off with a carpet if the hole is just about 2 by 1.
I'm trying to find. Okay, so green is over there. I see green over there for whoever's doing that. I'm looking for my line.
Oh, Michael, yours is top. Okay, look, right there. See if
Yep.
that. So you go down there, get your key, and then go right into there. Okay.
oh yeah, you can see it.
Okay.
Oh, and green
I see
vault
it.
is right
Oh,
to
I
our
think I
right if
see
we can
it,
find a
yeah.
green
But
key. You have
that's
to get the.
just top left. Okay.
All right,
Yeah.
I'm also
Alright,
gonna
let me
leave
get the
sand.
sand in the
Yeah,
center room.
I'm gonna say I'm gonna leave the sand for you, alright?
Thank you.
Okay.
Let me
I'll
know
leave-
if anyone sees the puzzle,
Yeah.
the word puzzle.
Also, if anyone sees green key, that's a free vault. What the? Oh, I'm so bad at the sparkler.
Does anyone see the word puzzle?
Not
Oh, I
yet.
should be marking
I found
with,
it.
carpet,
Oh,
shouldn't
put
I?
sand in the sun. Oh no, it's the beginning of the game. That sound always scares me at the beginning.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that. I
Okay,
was like,
everyone-
wait, is it already running?
Everyone, listen.
It's already over.
What is it? P.
The game ain't over till it's over.
All right. I found the green vault, but obviously we need the green
This
key.
Padme.
So
What is this? P.
Okay.
Where is it?
All right.
Empire.
There's lots of sand around the edges here, by the way. In spawn.
Yeah,
What's
yeah.
this?
I'm aware. I just
Good.
probably went a different way to you.
Just confirming.
Okay, did
know
anyone
what I'm
see red?
doing.
Did anyone see red?
Wait,
Not yet.
am I going the wrong way?
Michael, yeah. Wait, no. Wait, what?
Ooh, there's so much sand.
No, it's
here.
fine.
Did you find your room?
I found the path, but
Okay, just keep going down there then. Just keep going down there. I have to find my room.
I'm doing pretty good on coins.
Did anyone see
but
red yet?
Nope. I have
I've
not seen
got
anything but
7
green.
rusty keys, by the way.
Okay.
Oh, damn.
All right.
Okay, I'm not doing this.
Do I have to go down? No. Wait, what?
Nice.
This feels like a dead end.
Is this my
Where does
cave?
this come from?
Chat, what am I doing wrong here?
I'm in some weird deep cave right now and I'm not finding anything vault related. Come on.
Well,
Oh, there's stairs.
Oh, I almost died.
okay, Eric, I'm gonna toss some sand to you. You see me?
Thank you. I've got 9 pieces. Just
Okay,
gonna
come
go
here.
refill
You see
real
me?
quick.
You see me? I'm throwing it on the ground.
Yeah, hello.
Right.
Thank you.
I need to. Okay, Dave, I found gold.
What the
I
fuck
don't-
is happening?
I
Found gold key or gold vault?
vault. Like I can't find my
Oh.
vault.
I can't find vaults either. I might have found. Actually, I'm not gonna say anything. I found a puzzle, and it has blue pillars, but it doesn't look like a blue vault. Oh god, I have a crazy word puzzle for it, but I don't trust myself.
Okay, I found
enough.
red. I found red. Dave, do you want to know where gold is?
Sure, but we
It-
don't have gold vault yet.
Well, like it still has
Wait,
the most
what?
sand. Okay. Ow.
I've
Dude,
got
I am so this is the fucking most confusing thing I've ever done. None of my shit leads here.
I've gotten a ton of coins though, luckily.
Hell yeah.
What the fuck? Nothing leads anywhere. Go down the trap door. I did.
I might have died in lava.
Oh.
What? Oh no.
Can someone res
Sorry,
him?
that's the first time that's ever happened in my Sands of Time career, unfortunately.
Okay.
I figured we needed to be risky, and I got a ton of coins.
Yeah.
And then I literally made the parkour, and it was the same one back.
Oh wait, you're
and then I
stuck
messed-
in the thing. Let me get
Yeah,
you
I
out.
need sand. Sorry, gamers. It's literally never done that before.
You're free.
Oh, this one sucks. I've not seen a glimpse of a key or a vault in the 3 paths we've gone in. Besides, I did find the green vault, but that's always right there. Dude, sorry. And I'm not going to be able to get my stuff. It was in lava.
Lava's, yeah.
That is totally my fault.
How much time do we have?
No, I didn't.
I've got the full timer, but I've got 3 sand left.
Okay.
So, there is still more in the center room at the moment. So
More sand.
Not know how to
not
drive.
much. So,
Okay. Can you guys hear me, or is my mic muted?
if you
No, you're
guys
good.
need rusty
Okay.
keys, let me know because I've got plenty of those.
Have you guys been marking which ones you go down with, like,
Dude,
carpet and
what
stuff?
the fuck?
I found another word puzzle under the portal. Are you looking for you're looking for the blue vault, right? Or no? You found it?
Yeah,
I'm in a room surrounded by blue brick, but I don't know if that means, like, it looks different than usual, so I don't know if it's a... How are we doing on sand, by the way, Eric?
Where the
I've got
fuck
2
is
left.
this?
The timer's almost full.
Dave, can you focus
Okay.
on sand?
Yep.
Because I'm done with red. I just finished red.
Oh, nice. Okay, goes nowhere.
Okay, I got red.
Nice.
Nice. Wait, we got first vault, I think. Let's go.
No, other people at vaults. Hey guys,
well,
I need
I'm gonna
sand.
pretend
I've
we
got
got
60
first.
seconds left on here, and I've just used up my last 2.
I just let out a Ravager.
Oh, I have
Can you come
no
back and give me
arrows.
sand, please. I need sand.
I'm coming
Yeah,
back,
coming.
but I'm far.
Urgent, urgent, urgent.
Ooh, coming,
I feel like
coming. I only have 2 sand, but it'll be something.
I'm gonna come
no,
back
it's
after
something.
that, so don't worry.
I found the blue vault.
Oh, you have the key too?
Yeah.
Open
Hey
that.
guys, we have 60 seconds left. I need
Coming
sand.
back. Coming
running
back.
really fast, but I'm like through a.
Here's some keys.
I think
Dave.
we yeah. I'm just gonna go place the
Just
sand
dunk
in
them
the.
in. Yeah, that's faster.
I only had 2. Unfortunately, I died with
I
some
have
sand.
9. I have 9. I feel like I should have got more.
That's alright.
No, let me through, Ravager. Oh God.
60 seconds left, guys.
Here, I'm dropping 9
I'm
sand.
trying to book it.
Here,
I'm trying to book it.
Come here.
I see.
Give me your rusty
Take some of
keys.
In here.
Thanks.
these. Okay,
The vault I was in.
Cool.
We can't find
No,
more
that's
sand.
not-
I don't know.
I mean, I'm running into gold right now, and there's sand in here.
Okay, I've been through here. I need
All
to go
right,
through a
I've
new
got 2
area.
sand on me.
Oh wait, wasn't I supposed to throw?
Time is basically full.
Wasn't I supposed to throw a healing at them? My bad.
Okay, I got everything
Wait.
in the blue vault.
Dave, did you get the keys? No, you didn't get the keys.
Oh, I'm
Uh,
so sorry.
Did you
I'm gonna
finish
put
it
sand
though?
in the
Did you
timer.
finish the vault? Like,
Yeah,
okay, now come back. Come back.
I think so. I put
Hi,
sand in the
Michael.
timer.
Michael. Keys.
Got some of it.
I don't know. That's the thing.
I don't even know where I can find a vault to
I
use
didn't
these
see
keys on.
any rusty.
I've got the keys. Just take them. If you need them, you need them.
Yeah.
Like, Aaron's not gonna use them, so just
What
take
the
them.
fuck
Just take
is
them.
this?
It's a puzzle. I was trying to do it and I just so many
Oh,
puzzles
it's
in
a,
parkour.
it's a go to the top.
Yeah, I might do one of these. It's
I
fun.
can try to do. Have you done this yet?
I did some of it and then I gave up. So no.
What's time? What's time?
Full timer, 3 sand left.
Oh, nice. Doing this
Full timer,
parkour.
3 sand left.
Yep.
Okay.
That I cannot believe I died in Sansa timer. Never happened before.
It's okay.
Oh, I'm so
What's the time?
throwing.
I'm underneath the map at the moment. Just a sec.
Damn.
I don't know what this thing is.
Sand. Oh.
Got some extra coins there.
All right, like 80 seconds, 70 seconds.
I found the gold vault room, and there's like sand in there, I guess.
But we haven't found the gold key, huh?
Oh shit. No.
All right, we're at 80 seconds. I've got 1 sand left in case anyone dies. But we got to think about either getting more
Where's
sand
the
back to
word
me
puzzle?
or getting
Right,
out of
right.
here.
Yeah.
Bringing back
There's a word-
8. I hope
How much
I
coin? Yeah, we're
find my way.
2,500.
How do you
We do have 2 vaults of coins at least, but
How do you do the word puzzle?
Okay, I would just not do any word puzzle.
yeah, I would not even know how to
Oh
tell
my
you
God,
that.
which way?
60
Look, I've been
seconds
done it,
remaining.
really.
I'll put the last sand in. I'm out of sand.
I'm coming back with 8. I don't know if I can't find my way.
I believe.
I'm gonna get stuck.
Wait. So should we get near portal if we?
I'm
Yes,
gonna
in
get
case.
stuck.
I'm doing the
No,
word puzzle.
You got it. You got it.
Where's R? R. There we go. R.
I never went here, did I?
And then
Nice.
what's
Hey,
I'm
where
gonna
is
get
it?
locked. I'm gonna get locked in.
What is
No,
this?
no, no, no.
We
Pot?
have 40 seconds remaining, guys.
You got it, Hannah. You can see our player models if you can.
Dave, you got any keys? And not any
I
keys,
have-
sand?
No, I do not have sand, unfortunately.
Oh, crap.
Oh yeah,
How,
we're
how
on
much?
that
How much time?
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Oh, so get up.
I'm gonna
there.
make it
run,
back.
run,
I'm gonna
run.
make it back. I'm gonna make it back
You
with
have
8.
sand?
Yeah.
If you make it back, dunk it in. Like, just don't even
How much time?
focus on me.
15 seconds.
I'm gonna
I'm
jump
dead.
in.
Just leave. I'm
I
dead.
banked. Yeah, just bank.
Yeah.
Just bank.
GG. Well, sorry
No.
guys.
Or did you?
Crap.
Or did you
We
die?
got every single vault. And every single coin. I don't think we.
I don't know.
Had much of a chance here.
My bad.
Oh, are you stuck?
You just
Oh,
get lost.
no.
I'm
Oh,
stuck.
no.
It's okay. It's okay. I died. You got stuck. Be like that.
Are we the
Tragic.
first
I don't
team?
care.
Oh my god.
Well,
It'd be like that. Do not worry,
That's why
guys.
we didn't want Sands of
I
Time.
think this game ended when Sands of Time was picked, even if we did amazing. So, well, can I throw a tomato at you though, respectfully? Where's the tomato? There are none.
I call it a tomato, actually.
Here. Oh, I can't even give you the tomato.
No, you can't drop it.
I feel like I did okay for my first run.
Yeah, that was quite literally my worst run ever, but you know what?
Chat.
So sorry.
You carried
Like
my.
I did my task, which was red vault, but then I feel like I had to overcompensate because someone died. So then I was like, I'll go in gold, like even though that's not my like job.
Oh god.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm
Like I said, I
I'm
don't
so
think there was.
sorry.
No. There, maybe I'm being a pessimist, which usually I'm pretty optimistic, but I do think like statistically, once we had Sands of Time, like it was wraps. Like that, I don't see a reality where like we would actually have to like gap everyone by like 2,000-3,000 coins to even maybe make top 2. So do not worry about it. I think we did fantastic. It's just the
This is
just the luck of the draw with MCC.
This is a real bad Riches the Rags story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I was a little bit worried once we played Sky Battle
then,
and Battle Box early, and I was like, damn. And we did good in them, and I was like, oh no, we did good in our first half.
The game comp was not.
I'm gonna need some Redditors to make me feel bad and go through the stats and see what would happen if the game order was reversed.
The only thing that I guess makes me feel good is Reddit can't say I did bad.
We actually did great. This is an incredibly competitive.
No, I mean
MCC,
at Sands.
yeah.
I mean,
Sands,
I mean,
you did great. You got a vault. Hell yeah.
Oh man. That piston puzzle doesn't even have that many coins, really. I feel like I got really close to the top of the piston puzzle.
Yeah. There was some more things I could have tried to get, but we just didn't have enough sand for me to like take risks.
Yeah, I it literally came down to multiple things. I died. Oopsies, my bad.
I feel like my brain just could not process certain things inside of the vault. I was just like losing my mind.
Yeah. I think we did great. Like as a team, we did really good. And I think where our skill sets shine and where they don't was directly the opposite of what the game's orders were and the game pool was.
Meltdown finale would have gone so hard.
Meltdown being skipped in general is bad for us, let alone being not the finale with Sands of Time. So I'm not down about it. I think we did great.
Dave and Hannah, you guys are nuts at PvP, so yeah, if we'd had those later, we would have done so much better. Just the game order was not in our favor.
No, don't worry about it. You not. Maybe we'll get since we get 9th. If we get 9th as a team, like all of our teams next MCC, surely stacked, right?
Yes, we understand. I have learned from my mistakes.
Man.
My castle sniffly.
Pride MC. Oh yeah, next month would be June. Maybe it will be Pride next.
Is that what they're saying?
That's what my chatter said. I mean, maybe they just gave up on Pride. No, but I wouldn't be surprised if we did anything.
No, it'll be fun.
I got first in division last Pride, my only first individual, and no one counts it. Oh yeah, no, they're doing the TwitchCon one, the TwitchCon EU one in June, so maybe they won't.
Oh yeah, you think so?
I don't know.
I have almost 3 stacks of tomatoes.
Lots of people in jail. Well, actually, no. One person in jail, but someone on red team went to jail, so that's good.
Screw you, Chill.
Are there lots of people in jail?
Yeah, no, but I thought so at first, and then I felt bad taking back my statement, but...
Oh, no.
Oh, is there more? Oh, no, that's Shadoon standing in front.
Is Chilled Chaos a sack boy? Is that what he is? That's awesome.
Damn,
oh,
some people are going on forever.
And then he's got Kingdom Hearts all over him.
What teams are even left? I wish it told us.
Cool.
Kingdom Hearts. I've never played Kingdom Hearts.
I see yellow, I see red, I see orange. I see lime. No green. Maybe green's the one.
Green's gonna win.
I see cyan.
First place green.
Wait, no. Yeah. And pink team's done. Purple team's done. It's got to be Aqua then? No, Aqua's here. Wait, I'm being dumb.
Chill got lost and died twice.
I could not figure out.
Oh, I didn't realize the time was. I didn't get to use all my tomatoes.
See, this might totally flip the entire game board here.
Yeah.
The fact that red got 8th. No, like someone beat red by like 3,000 coins. Like I actually think red could lose first place. I don't know if that's true, but Oh no, red got second. So Aqua moved up to the top. I guess Aqua did really good that whole time. That's crazy because you really didn't know how that was going to end, and it was 100-point difference.
Last on that.
Yeah.
Pink Parrots even beat us.
Well,
What
to
the
be
fuck?
fair, I died with a good amount of coins, and then Hannah got stuck. You know, it'd be like that.
Damn.
Terrible game. Respectfully though, well made.
I know the Reddit is like, what the fuck happened? It's blue.
Nah, it's pretty highlighted. I mean, we had all our good games. Like I had top 5 in the first 5 games, and then did not get them again. So that's just how the cookie crumbles.
2%. Wait, damn.
I was gonna say the team that got third was just behind by like 100 coins. That's why I thought red was gonna be out.
Damn.
Let me guess. I got kicked out of top 5. No, I survived. I made it 8th individual.
Nice.
Let's go.
8th individual, nice.
I slowly climbed down from 2nd individual throughout this event, but I'll take it. I think we did great, guys. It was literally a game order diff. What are you gonna do?
I fell from 24th to 31st. That sucks.
Where do you see what place you are? I need to know.
If you go
At
into the Hall of Fame,
Hall
it's on the
of
very
Fame.
left side.
Pete and
Okay,
Dodgeball.
wait, so it's gonna be red versus Aqua.
Dude, this is so hard.
Dude, I don't know. Red team was kind
I-
of cooking us in the practice dodgeball. I think red might win this.
I love a lot of people.
This reminds me of when I was on a team with me, Wally Bear, Sylvie, and someone else.
First event.
Yeah.
Damn.
I mean, no one's. He's an event player. He's played so many events.
Yeah,
Not to
like
discredit how good he
MCC.
is, but he's a big event player, and then he also is like a world record speedrunner in like multiple categories. Like,
No,
bro, probably and respectfully has like probably 3 or 4 times as many hours in Minecraft as I do.
Eats,
Jesus
sleeps,
Christ.
breeds Minecraft.
I mean, he's seen so much success from it. I mean, bro's killing it.
Yeah. I just don't have coordination is like a issue for me.
I don't know.
I was like trying to hit the levers in the center room in Sands of Time, and I would like go to do it, and I'd miss the lever. I was like, okay.
Oh, it's okay.
All right, who am I rooting for? I gotta root
play,
for
like,
Jordan
aim
and
trainers.
Pete, though.
Honestly,
I
same.
feel like I love.
Yo,
Jordan.
what is the
I
average
gotta-
age of this team on Aqua? You know, respectfully.
I have to root
That's an
for
insane-
Kara.
No, I'm just saying if they won, they could be the oldest
That
average
is
team to ever win.
insane. That is insane. Asa, thank you for the 39
Peace and love.
months.
I think.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wait, could
I love
Sparkles get a second win?
I just.
Hasn't Jordan won twice?
Has he?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wait, why does Whip have a crown?
He's just that cool, I guess.
Because he did not win with us last MCC.
I thought Jordan won 2. Or am I wrong?
He has a win. I don't know if he has 2 yet.
He's got 2, and then he won a non-canon during Twitch Rivals. Yeah,
Yeah.
So
Oh,
he's got
non-can.
3 wins.
Yeah.
but he's got 3. He's got 3 wins, 2 official.
My heart wants Aqua to win, but then my brain wants Feinberg to win, and so he'll be nerfed forever.
I feel the same. That's clearly what
Love him.
happened to us.
But I want him nerfed.
That's what happened to us. We won the first one, and then we got nerfed.
Exactly. Yeah, they've just been nerfing
Oh,
us,
there
Michael,
goes
this whole
Jill.
time.
Yeah. You're telling me someone can go from fucking first in hole in the wall to never placing anywhere near first ever again? I don't think so. Damn no.
Oh, damn. Just Sparkles left. The 1v3, I believe.
Oh, Jordan was built for this.
Kill them.
Did he get Feinberg?
Ooh. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, how'd that miss?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's fine. They missed these. They missed these. No, they don't. They're gonna.
Ooh, Kara versus Jordan.
Nah, I felt like they practiced dodgeball. I was playing against Kara and Feinberg in the practice
Yeah.
dodgeball, and it was like getting humbled.
Oh, I fell off.
When was the last time Kara won?
MCC won.
MCC won. Oh my god, yeah.
No, then Kara's gotta fucking win.
Dude, she won with us last.
My gosh.
I'm changing my mind.
Back
I
in
want Kara to win.
2019.
Yeah, fucking Kara needs the win.
Yeah, Kara needs to
Fuck
win.
Jordan.
MCC won. What's
Kara's
this,
having
the
a
40th
huge
event
dry
or
streak right
something?
now. Yeah, fucking.
And now that we're rooting for red, they're getting wiped.
I've been. No, fucking, you guys go back. I've been on.
I gotta go back. I gotta put on the other mascot. I'm cursed. Whatever. Watch. I'm gonna put on Aqua, and they're gonna die. 2 of them right now. Well, if they ever shoot the arrows.
Jordan, fuck, is that the Jordan shit? Whatever.
I think blue can win. And they can win this one.
Yeah, they need this one.
Yeah, they do.
Especially because Feinberg's out here. Yeah.
Come on, Orion. Fucking 1v3. Go, 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 go.
I'm not big on the targeting, but if I'm Aqua, I'm going for Feinberg every time.
Yeah.
I'm big on targeting.
Depends. Someone with like who's S tier like that.
Riveting
Yeah.
commentary? I don't know. What do you want me
they
to
missed.
say?
I'll just
Go
matrix
watch
this.
someone else. Like what?
He's gonna get a double kill here.
Come on, Neo. Come on.
And
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
oh, well,
Whiffed it.
I believed him if that counts or anything.
Ooh. Who's the last one left? Oh, that was close.
Oh, this dude, he's slippery.
Orion, damn.
Watch a double kill here would be so. Oh my
That
god.
would be crazy.
Oh, my God.
Aw.
Take more time.
I'm losing it, dude. I just want to see
I think-
Red win.
Like they're
Red
just
needs
throwing
it.
punches and whiffing back.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So
No
here's
full
the
auto in
thing.
the building. No full auto in the building.
It's crazy that he's so good at dodging, but so bad at shooting. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Like a greased weasel.
Oh!
Oh, nice.
Ow!
Nice. The double kill. Damn.
No, if Ollie clutches this up, that would be insane.
That would be
And they just-
awesome.
Because he's been shot at like 8 times since
Yeah.
he's been alone.
No, is that F whip?
Oh,
don't.
Ollie's
don't,
doing some
don't
tricky little-
forget.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
he missed both.
Get it!
I'm
Kill
afraid.
him.
This is Ollie's
Kill
moment.
him.
Dude, I told you I put on the Aqua mascot and this happens, dude. So quick.
Yeah, you're
Get
their
it.
bad luck charm.
Wow.
One
That
more!
was crazy.
The chat's just going insane.
Dude, that was actually one of the craziest 1v3s I
That
think we've
was
ever seen in
nuts.
MCC. The fact they got that many shots off on him.
Yeah,
That's
that was
awesome.
crazy. Red only needs to win one more round to win.
Kara needs another fucking win.
Yeah, Kara needs to
been
win. She
4
hasn't won
seasons.
since 2019.
It's been 4 seasons.
Yeah, Kara
Oh,
hasn't won
man.
since 2019. She needs this.
Kara
And
needs to
actually,
get
that's
the
messed up. November will be 5 years since MCC won.
Kara needs
God.
Kara needs to get the final shot.
I think
Because Kara got the final shot on ours, didn't she?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And it was a 1v1, and it was like whoever.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Surely Aqua gets a round, right?
I think I will always root for any of my MCC one purple
Yeah.
pandas.
See,
when
my
we get to the
conflicted is
end.
I always go for like the Crimson Krakens, but we got one from each. I got one in each team.
Oh, there goes chilled.
oh my
Ooh.
god.
What's that? Aqua Mist. Not
I just
red,
put on the
both
Red
arrows.
Rabbits mascot again, so they'll probably lose now.
No, what do you do? Go back. Go the other way.
Nope. See,
Nice,
the curse is
Kara.
over.
It's not.
What
It
do
ain't
you
over
mean?
until
What's
it's
the
That's not
worst
how.
that
That's
could
not how
happen?
sports curses work, dude.
I've decided it's over. It's like, what? Are 2 people on red gonna die right now?
Baseball fans would break your legs for swapping.
Oh,
Oh, man.
No, they missed both.
Come on.
and
Get
Feinberg's
it.
taking us.
This is it.
I'm
This could be it
scared.
right now.
Ooh.
1-2. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go!
God damn. When was the last time we had a 3-0 sweep in dodge roll too?
Yeah, damn, Aqua didn't even get a single
I
one
remember.
in. Even at 3v1. Oh, look, look at that
Dude,
rocket
God.
ship.
The rocket ship.
Yeah, they got their
On the
stage back
stage.
there.
I like those little beams.
They're
things.
stuck inside of it though.
Oh wait, are they actually
Not
stuck
them being
inside?
trapped.
Oh, someone's breaking the things.
That's
oh my
so cool.
god.
I'm so happy. I'm so
Yeah.
happy for Kara.
GG.
GG's. We did great. I mean, it was
Yeah.
game order diff moment, but we did really, really good in most of the games.
I had fun.
Had a great time.
GG.
That's awesome.
We should get a team picture.
We should. Yeah.
Where?
We
We
do it
can
in
go on the
front of
Blue Bats
our-
podium.
You
Or
want
we
to
could do it
it
in front
just
of the
in
build that we
like,
made.
like on the bis.
Oh, true,
wait,
our
yeah, in
little
the cave.
Let's go to the cave.
What
Let's
was
go
red
to the
team's
cave.
build? Because now they're going to be
The
immortalized.
rocket.
Wait, are they gone? Oh no, they're
No, they're all the way back here.
Yeah.
Chilled Chaos winning his first MCC.
Yeah, no,
Nice.
that's crazy. That's so awesome.
And Feinberg, but like no one's surprised by that part.
No.
No, Feinberg is
Yeah,
Okay.
insane.
I wish we could swap with our little.
Go right
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wherever.
Okay.
then we'll,
Screeny.
Yeah.
Cute. Very
That's
cute
awesome.
skins.
Yeah, I love our
Yeah,
skins.
shout out.
It's awesome.
Yippee.
Oh,
Oh man, that was.
Oh, you can still edit.
Such a good event.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go like take a nap or something.
Yeah.
but GG's.
Okay.
Yeah,
the emotional roller coaster that was MCC.
Yeah. All right.
Okay,
Well,
bye.
Farewell, gamers.
Yeah, have a good
See
one.
ya.
See ya.
Okay, well, I'm probably gonna end now. Let's see, who can we raid? Let's see. Okay, I have a friend that we can raid. Okay, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I don't know when I'm gonna go live next. Maybe tomorrow, maybe not. We will see. We will see. Okay. Have a good day, everybody. Do something productive today. Maybe I'll play Hoplite with some of my friends on their streams later. You just gotta go there, maybe.